Hello, hello. Uh, Let me check my channel to see if I'm live here. Hello, Skibbity Sigmas. There we go. Hello, everybody. I'm live. I have not streamed in like 2 weeks or 3. I don't remember how many weeks it's been. Let me set everything up here. Hello, Garrett. Welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? How you doing, man? Today I'm doing a game dev stream. Not sure how well this is gonna go, honestly. So hopefully I'm actually gonna be able to make something. I'm probably not gonna finish anything today, but hopefully I can make something, you know? Hello, Nutty Buddy. Skibbity the Sigma. Hello, Nutty Buddy. Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. I am, doing game dev. Hooray! I did mention that I wanted to do a stream on game dev a couple times. So today I'm doing it because I felt like it, you know? And, yeah, I guess I should. I honestly, okay. So this is the idea of the game that I want to make today, basically. Let me close this real quick. After 2 weeks of vacation without a slime stream, Slime, of course, streams on the night before my exam. You have an exam right after a vacation? You have an exam right after your. Oh my god! I gotta say that is atrocious. Good luck, man. Good luck. I don't know who the fuck has an exam after their right after their vacation. But good luck with that, man. Usually I have my exam before the vacation. So, you know, for your vacation, I hope you guys had a good holiday. You know, hope you guys spent a lot of time with your family or whatever. Hope you guys got lots of gifts for Christmas or whatever, and like celebrated New Year's or something. I don't know. But you guys enjoyed it. So, today, I'm going to be trying to make a game, you know, trying, keyword trying, you know. I have made a game in Godot before, but that was like a year ago. And honestly, I don't remember jack shit about coding. First school year of 2025 and first exam of 20. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Like, literally, it's only been like a week since New Year's, and you're already have an exam. I have an exam on Friday. Hello, Battle Tom. Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you guys are having a good day. And good luck on your exam on Friday, too, man. Oh, dear Lord. Dear Lord. An exam right after the holidays. I don't know how you people deal with that, man. But, anyways. I am gonna try to make a game today. I do have so my goal is to like not like follow a tutorial one by like I did a game dev stream once before, and the way I did it was I followed a YouTube tutorial literally one by one. I copied every single step they did. That is not my goal today. My goal is to make my own original game, and if I don't know something, I'm gonna search it up, but only for the specific part I don't know. Like, for example, if I don't know how to make, like, a player controller, I'm going to search up player controller. I'm not going to follow a tutorial one by one. That's my goal. Ironically, the exam tomorrow is about coding. Are you also in computer science? Are you in computer science, bro? Yeah, good luck, man. Computer science is hard. Yeah, good luck, man. Good luck. I'm not good at coding. Yeah. I'm not good at coding. Maybe you'll learn something today. You know, I highly doubt you probably won't learn jack shit. You should probably go study, but like maybe you'll learn something today. You know, object-oriented programming. Yay! So, anyways, I'm gonna start off by explaining what kind of game I want to make. I want to make a very ambitious game. I want to make a roguelike. Yes, I know, very original roguelike. I want to make an open world roguelike, basically. So basically, I want to create like an open world roguelike that's first person, you know? Something like, I don't know if you guys played roguelikes before, but something like Caves of Could, but in first person. So basically, I want to generate like a 3D tile, basically. I want to generate like a 3D tile, randomly generated tile base, and have like the player spawn right here or something. and then there's gonna be like randomly generated dungeons and like trees and villages. That's my goal. I know it's quite okay. I have made a roguelike before, but this is a slight step up because this is a 3D open world roguelike. I'm not gonna make it too complicated, but for now, today, I want to just at least try to make the player controller and maybe a world, maybe. Are you using GDScript or C#? I'm using GDScript today. I'm probably going to use GDScript. I've never used C#. I have used C, but no C# before. So, have you added the cheese? You know what? Today, if I finish this game, I'm going to add cheese this game. I'm probably not going to finish this game in one day. I guarantee you I will not make that much progress today. I'm very slow. Okay, my goal is to make something like Daggerfall. I want to make like a fully procedurally generated dagger. Like, I want to just make like, okay, fuck. So basically the entire game is going to be flat. There's going to be like no hills or whatever. It's just going to be all tiles. It's going to be all tiles. There might be like trees that like randomly generate or whatever. And there's going to be like a dungeon. And once you enter the dungeon, it's going to load a whole new scene. Like, it's hard to explain. It's kind of hard to explain. But I spent like 2 hours thinking about this last night. I was thinking about what kind of game should I make. So this is going to be like the open world. This is going to be like a bunch of tiles or whatever. Tiles. These are all going to be all randomly generated, you know? Randomly generated tiles. This is the overworld. The overworld, okay? This is the overworld. How come you make a game dev stream on a dungeon? So like on this tile, there will be like a door, and once you like go into this tile, it's gonna spawn another world. You're gonna access this, and it's gonna be like a bunch of dungeon rooms or whatever. Like this is gonna be like the roguelike dungeon generation, like this. And yeah, then this is gonna like lead onto like the second floor. I don't know if am I making sense, guys? I don't know if I'm making sense. This is the overworld. There's gonna be like randomly generated dungeons or whatever. Okay, the thing is, I actually have experience with working with roguelike dungeon generation. I have made a roguelike before. So this part, like the level generation should be the easy part. This should be the easy part because I've done it before. Basically just place a bunch of random rooms and connect them, you know? I've done that before. And there's gonna be like multiple levels, and then once you reach the bottom, you get a treasure, and then you get teleported back to the overworld. That's my game plan, you know? Slime, you shouldn't promise things. You don't want another No Man's Sky. I don't think my game's gonna be anywhere as good as No Man's Sky. Will we be able to play this game? Depending on how good it is. If I feel like this game actually is like functional and I actually finish it, then maybe. I have never made something random other than changing a variable to a random number. So the next object is different. I don't know, man, but this is my game plan. But the thing is, I have not used Godot in ages, so I don't remember how to do anything, honestly. I don't remember how to make a player controller. How do I add a plane again? I completely forgot, man. I don't remember how to play this. I don't remember how to make this. I guess for now we should like add like the camera. Where's the camera? Wait, let me just search in camera here. Let me search in camera 3D. There we go. We got our camera. First step of the day. Camera. Main scene. We have our camera. You guys can't see the game pop up, but there is a game now. I don't see anything. It's just a black screen because I literally added nothing to the scene yet. I got a 3D printer for Christmas. That's pretty cool. Aren't 3D printers pretty expensive? Do you want to make a limited pre-built map, or do you want to make something like Minecraft that auto-generates? So my idea at first, my idea at first was to do something like a 100 by 100. Okay, let me close Blender. So my idea is to do something like 100 by 100 tile and then limit the entire world inside of it. But the thing is, I also felt pre-built. I don't know if I'm gonna do pre-built or not. Like, it's gonna be all randomly generated though. I don't know. I have two ideas for randomly generated world. First generation is that everything is like randomly generated on world creation. That's what Nutty Buddy is suggesting. My other idea is to make it so the world gets generated as you explore. So for example, if this is the player, it's gonna generate everything in a 3x3 cube. If the player moves outside of it, like if the player moves here, then the world's gonna generate around it as you move around. And it's gonna store and save the data of the tiles. Those are my two ideas. The one on the right theoretically has an infinite world because you can infinitely explore and just it will generate around you. But the one on the left has a limited amount of space, and eventually you're gonna reach a border. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do for now though. Slime, I must hear your opinion on Huntington's disease. I don't know what that is, okay? I don't know what that is. Let me search it up. What is Huntington disease? Huntington disease. Fog of War? I don't know what that is. Is that a game? An inherited disorder that causes nerve cells and part of the brain to gradually break down and die. That sounds like what I have, you know, my brain rot. That sounds like brain rot. It sounds like brain rot. You guys are gonna get that disease if you guys keep watching me, by the way. Anyways, hopefully I can actually manage to code something like this. This is quite ambitious, especially since I'm relearning everything anew. I dislike the one on the right. I tried it once. It just makes the old and slow PCs. It depends on how well you optimize it, you know? It depends on how well you listen, I'm not very good at optimization, but you know, I've never done this, you know. Sometimes you gotta try new things in order to learn, you know. The one on the left is also, yeah, it's more realistic. But, you know, I feel like I like the idea of an infinite world. I'll see how hard it is, you know. I still haven't made any decisions yet. But for now, I gotta figure out how to make, like, an actual, like, player in a plane here. I forgot how to do this. How do I add a floor again? Okay, where's the collision? Where's the, like, shape 3Ds? Where's the collision shape 3D? Is it? I forgot. Fuck. Sphere, cube. Let's try adding a cube. Wait, no, okay. I need to add a floor. Wait, square. Square. How do I, the one on the right is theoretically better. Theoretically, if you know what you're fucking doing, the right is better. But, like, the left is more manageable, you know? The left is, like, better for new people. Thing is, I'm technically, I'm not new to Godot. Technically, I've done game dev before, but it's been, like, a year. I forgot everything, man. I fucking forgot everything, so... Is it polygon? I forgot what it was. What's that thing you add to add squares into the game? I forgot you add a square to the game. How the fuck do you add a square to this game? Bro, don't make me pull up a YouTube video just for a square. That would actually be sad if I had to pull up a YouTube video just to add a square. Hello, oh, by the way, I don't think I said this, but hello, Foil. Welcome to the stream, man. Also, hello, Eric. Welcome to the stream, you two. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm doing Blender, not Blender. Well, technically, I am going to use Blender, you know. I'm going to use Blender if I need to 3D model something. I do have a little bit of experience in Blender. A little bit. Only like 50 hours. Can you crank 9? I don't play Fortnite, so yeah. Insert a CSG plane 3D. Is it a plane? I remember there are these cube things. I don't remember. Where the fuck is the CSG plane? I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to look through the entire fucking node. I have no idea how Godot works or how it's even spelled. Technically, spit. Okay, listen. My mic is not very high quality, and I sound really bad when I talk. I'm not very good at talking, okay? Bro, I was recording something for a video. I was listening to a recording. The amount of times in my recording where my voice got too loud and I just made like a spitting noise is actually disgusting. Like, I'm making this audio. I'm like reading a novel for a video I'm making in the future. You know, someday in the future. It'll come out like in a year. But my recording is so awful. I'm awful at recording. Anyways, how the fuck do I do this again? Is it Sprite 3D? I don't remember. Texture. How the fuck do I do this again? It depends. Tommy, is that you or Beak with the gas mask? I do not know. That's a question for him, I guess. How the fuck do I add a square? Literally, I forgot everything. It should be in 3D node, right? How the fuck do I, like, literally forget how to add a cube to this game? It's collision, no, collision polygon is just for collision. I don't think that adds anything for the visual. Huh. Wait, is it area? Area 3D. No, area 3D is for detection. Area 3D is for detection. I would find it quite pleasing, my good man, if you would use appropriate language. Use appropriate for Nico language and dialect in this. Listen, I'm not gonna change my wait. Are you saying I swear too much? I like protecting myself from people that smell like shit. Bro, that's just aura. That's just my aura, man. That's just my aura, okay? That's just my aura. Chill. That's just my aura. Seriously, how do I add this again? I might have to search this up. How do I add a cube to this game? Is it collision shape? I don't think it's collision shape, right? I don't think it's collision shape. Collision shape is just for, collision. That's just for collision. That has nothing to do with, actually adding a cube. Character body? Physical? Rigid body. Rigid body is for, like, physics. I genuinely... Do I really... Okay. Do I have to, like, export something from Blender in order to add it in? I might have to, like, use Blender. I'm pretty sure I've definitely added a cube to this game before. I'm gonna search this up. Godot, how to add cube. How do I add cube? CSG box. Box. See, is it really just this? Really? Really? It's a C... Huh. I feel so dumb right now, but, I guess we have our cube. I guess we have our cube. I guess we have our cube now, I guess. I could have sworn it was something else. I feel like it was, like, the node was called... I don't know if I'm, like, fucking tripping, but I feel like it was called something else. I feel like it was... Why is this thing tilted? I could have sworn this thing was called something different. OMG, it's Godot. I thought it was Godot. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly either, you know. And again, theoretically, spits into the mic multiple times. I'm not new to Godot, and I technically know what to do. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna just continue this. Okay, I guess we should start with the player, I guess. This is the camera here. I'm gonna have to make a player script. Gonna just extend this out here. I genuinely do not remember how to do any of this. It's been ages. I don't want to, like, go back to my previous project and, like, copy and paste code, because I technically do have my other 3D project. I could just copy and paste it in, but I don't want to do that. Slime when milking? Never, man, never. I'm gonna do a capsule now. I guess. How do I add a capsule? CSG. How do I add a capsule? I could have sworn there's a way to add a capsule. Like a little bead shaped thingy majiggy. Man, I'm literally forgetting this entire game. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna search a YouTube video. Just one YouTube video, and I'm gonna just figure this out. Godot is Scratch, but also actually workable and made by an insane person. Okay, let me watch a tutorial. First person control. I'm pretty okay. This is like the tutorial I followed last time, I think. There was, like, I think it was this guy or this guy. I don't remember. This guy should teach me how to add... Okay, all I need to know how to figure out is how to add a fucking shape. I need to remember how to add a shape, because I genuinely don't remember.
You can just click on it and click Quick Load to find our own HDRI. You can see now you can see the child node again by right click. So click the little folder. It goes into the physics.
Okay, how do I
function.
Okay. Character body 3D. Is that how you add something? I genuinely do not remember. I just remember 2 out of 20. Garrett again with this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel like translating that. Can someone translate that for me? Character body 3D. Okay, I added a character body 3D. It's invisible. Fantastic. I don't remember how to do this. Let me put this. I'm gonna call this player, and then I'm gonna... It has no shape. I need to add a collision shape. Okay, let me add a collision shape. Collision polygon. No, not polygon. Let's just do a normal collision shape. Collision shape 3D. What is the problem with this? Must be provided collision shape 3D. Okay, let me add a shape then. It should be a capsule shape. There we go. Let me move this up. Hey, what are we making? We are making a hot pile of shit right now because I cannot figure out what the fuck I am doing. But my goal today is to make a roguelike. I know, like the 1 millionth roguelike. I know how original I am. I'm super original, you know. I am making a very unique game that is a roguelike, you know, very very unique. You know, I'm the first person in the world to ever make a roguelike. But yeah, welcome to stream starts with K. Also, hello TNTO. Glimpse being smarter than me stream is my favorite. I don't know who Glimpse is, but okay. Welcome to the stream, guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. Um, if I could actually figure out what the fuck I am doing, this would be great, you know? Player script. Let's go. Uh, it should have some built-in. Yeah, okay. I think so far it has some built-in. Okay. Right now you guys can't you guys can't see the actual output screen. That's not good. That's definitely not good. Okay. You know what? You know what? That's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna sort this out. This is very scuffed. This is very very scuffed. Collision shape 3D. Where is the collision? Area body, rigid body. Let's do a static body. Let's add a static body. Add a static body 3D. That's gonna be for the floor. What am I doing here? I'm gonna remove this for now. I'm gonna clear this and I'm gonna add it again. Where's the... There we go. Let me clear this. Can I add a physics material? Why is Blender in the background? Just in case I need a 3D model something. Because, like, theoretically, if I'm going to make a 3D game, I'm probably going to have to 3D model something, you know? I'm probably going to have to 3D model something, you know? I have done some basic 3D modeling before, you know? Basic. I made, like, a low poly human before. That's why it's there, you know? In case I ever need a 3D model something. Tax fraud? Hello there, Garrett. I mean, not fuck, I called you Garrett. Hello, 1 a.m. Jerry. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. And hopefully the IRS and FBI is not catching you for your tax fraud, you know? Will you delete the cube to make another one? Ah, yes. The Blender, every Blender tutorial must have you deleting the cube. Yes, I'm gonna delete the cube there. Yeah, I deleted the cube. Literally, I don't even remember how you added ground to this game. How do you add the floor? I literally am learning everything from scratch, even though I've done this before. I've actually done this before. I've done game dev before. I just, for some reason, cannot remember how to do anything. Okay, I think I need the CSG there. Let me add a static body to this. Okay, let me actually do this from scratch. Let me try this over. CSG box. Static body. Then, I need to add a collision shape. Then I add a shape right here. And the cube, let me just go up on Y. Let me do this. Let me just like very scuffly do. Wait, can't I? Isn't there an automatic way to do this? I could have sworn I remember like having a button that you press and it just fills in the physics for you. I could have sworn there's a way to do it. Slime is the goofiest. Am I? Am I though? The reason why I have not been on the recent streams is because I have not been streaming recently, so I would not know. Where is the collision shape? I'm gonna have to fill this up. I could have sworn there was a way to like automatically like create vertices for the collision. I definitely remember there was a way to like what's it called? I remember there was a button that you press and it just fills in the collision cube for you. Am I like tripping or something? I feel like there is. Slime is the third goofiest femboy I know. I translated. I think someone should definitely give him his meds back. I think I'll do it by carving your limbs into pieces. But I think I'm gonna torture you until you die. I don't know why you would say that, Garrett. I don't know why you would say that. That's not very nice. You know, that's not very nice. Yeah, that's definitely not very nice. You shouldn't be saying that, bro. Okay, so I now have a physically move it with it. Let me show this on screen. It's not showing on screen right now, but let me show this on screen real quick. If I can actually figure out how to fucking make this work. Gameplay. Let me capture the screen. Debug. There we go. There we go. This is my game screen. See, I have a working floor now. See that? It's a working floor now. The mesh needs to be the child of the collision. Man, it's been so long. I do not remember how to do this at all. I do not remember how to do this at all. Like, I know this is shocking, but I have made a game before. I made 2 games before. I made a 2D one and a 3D one in Godot before. For some reason, every time I'm not making a game, I immediately forget it. I think this is my habit that I've developed from back when I was a student. Back when I was a student, when I stopped, like, studying, like, when I was done an exam, or whatever, I immediately forget, like, my entire, everything that I learned. My brain just, like, I forget everything. I literally just forget everything. So now, whenever in a real life situation, whenever I learn something, I stop doing it and I just immediately forget. Just immediately forget. Literally, that's the mindset of a gamer, you know, of a fucking student, you know. Okay, input map. I'm gonna have to add new movement. W A S D. There we go. W A S D. Should I rename this as something better? Should I name this right? Let me rename this, actually. Let me name this to something more descriptive. Right, down, left, up. There we go. Yeah, the school system makes our minds horrible. Oh yeah, you should add slime milking. This is a roguelike, not a milking game, okay? It's not a milking game. Real ones use aerospace. No, who the fuck uses aerospace nowadays, okay? Who the fuck uses aerospace? Main action. Main act. This is gonna be my left click, I think. Main act. Left muscle click. Oh wait, you guys can't see. Oh fuck. Okay. I'm trying to. Okay, you guys can't see this, but I'm doing my input map right now. You guys can't see my input map. I literally keep forgetting. Offhand. You guys can't see this, but I'm doing my input map right now. God damn. This is so scuffed. This is so fucking scuffed, I swear to God. This is so fucking scuffed. Anyways, the worst about all of this is I told myself I can study while having the stream in the background. But I did negative studying since the stream started. I lost. This is what I'm saying. You should probably not be watching me, because if you do, you're literally gonna lose brain cells. Hello, Mr. Cool. Did you finish Half-Life? Yes, I did. I did indeed finish Half-Life. I did finish Half-Life. That's why I'm doing a game dev stream today. Slime, you should add a photorealistic map of Hungary into this game. I'm probably not gonna do that. Anyways, yeah. Okay, I've got the controls working now. Okay. I got the controls working. Now I need to add the mouse movement. How do I add mouse movement? I don't remember. Hello, Lala. Oh my God. Welcome to the stream, Lala. How you doing, man? Guys, this is Lala. He's the guy who takes the most L that I've ever known. This is the guy this guy takes so many L's. His name is literally Lala. Every L in his name stands for one of the L's that he's taken. So, nice, welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a good day. Do it. It's literally as flat as your brain. My game's gonna be flat too, okay? My game's gonna be a flat 2D world, okay? I've completely forgotten how to use Godot, man. I literally made... I swear to God, I've done this before. You know, I'm not lying. I did not just steal someone's code. I've done this before. I just don't remember how to add code. How do I code again? You know, how do I code again? So true, bestie. Hope you're having a good day, Lala. Hope you're having a good... He's lying. Yes, I'm lying. Yeah, you know, actually, I have Lala in my basement. I've been forcing him to code for me. I've been forcing him to make games, and I steal his games and tell people that I made them. Yeah, get back to work, Lala. Go back to coding that new GTA 6 game. Hello, Lala. I have lots of hair. Okay, my hair is beautiful and long. Okay. Let me see if I can remember how to do this. How do I? Okay. How do I make mouse movement again? You know what? Back to YouTube I go. If I don't know how to do something, YouTube is always the solution. You know, YouTube is the solution.
Texture. And in here we're gonna set our grid texture.
Okay, how do I
And
I'm
lastly,
just gonna I'm gonna try not to search as much as possible, but if I don't know something, I'm gonna use
it's
wait.
gonna
No, I'm gonna Google this first of all. I'm gonna Google this. How Godot. How to get mouse input. Input in script. Okay. I'm gonna use I'm gonna be like a professional game dev. I'm a professional game dev, and I'm gonna actually use the Godot documentation. I know, surprising. The Godot official documentation. Instead of just searching a YouTube video. Slime is about to be copyright strike because of a Godot. I hope not, because I have been copyright strike for the most. Lala is saying that I have insane curves. The only curve that I have IRL is my big fat belly, my fucking alcoholic dad bod belly. Anyways, also welcome to the stream, Mitch Maxine. Hope you're having a good day. I'm doing game dev today. Also, welcome to the stream, Crazy Plane. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day, man. Anyways, input event jump. I think this is it. I think this is what I need for I think I need input event. Yeah, input func input event. That's for if it detects any input events. Func input event. Yeah. Pass. I'm gonna do pass for now. Every time I see like the red error thing, it bothers me very much. So I put pass before I write anything in it. How do I get mouse movement? Let me get mouse movement. Okay, how do I get mouse movement? Is this? I mean, is this it? Input event mouse button. That's mouse button, not mouse movement. There's literally no way you named something after the wife of the MC in his. What are you talking about? Wait, wasn't Lala mod before? Yeah, he was a mod once. I don't remember what happened. When did you get unmodded? Who the fuck unmodded you? I could have sworn I made you a mod, and then suddenly you're unmodded for some reason. Slime is practically a Swedish supermodel with a. Maybe, maybe I'm actually. Oh, wait, you're talking about my Grinch novel. Oh, yeah, I made the Grinch the wife of my protagonist in my novel. I made the Grinch the wife of my protagonist in my novel. Fun fact, I made the Grinch the wife of my protagonist. Fun fact, that is true. Yeah. Yeah, the Grinch is my friend, by the way. I asked him what. Okay, so at first I asked. Okay, so this was like way back when my friend was like, I wanted to add a character to I wanted to add my friend as a cameo to my friend. I was like, what kind of character do you want to be? So at first my friend was like, I want to be the character that the wife cheats on with. So I was gonna make it an NTR situation where the wife cheats on the main character with the Grinch. But then I was like, you know what? I can make this better. I could turn her into the Grinch. Booyah! Literally peak. Yeah, I'm just saying Slime the same kind of femboy voice Shizu Kurokami has. I don't know who that is. Literally don't know who that is. How do I get mouse movement? I'm still trying to get mouse movement here. You know what? Back to the YouTube video.
gonna take an input
Back
direction,
to the video.
and this is gonna take it from right now UI left to right.
Okay, skip.
Scene.
Oh right, I forgot. I need to put the mouse func ready void. Slime should be kept away from every single thing that can be used to write. Let's go cinema. Slime should be kept away from NME because I wouldn't be able to hold my. You guys are weird. You guys are weird. So input dot set mode, was it? What is it called again? It was set mouse mode. Mouse. Is it input dot set mouse mode? Yeah, it is. Set mouse mode. Did I do this right? I think I did this right? Wait, what? Why is there an error here? Why the fuck is there an error here? Hello? Um, I don't know why there's an error here. Wait. Is it get? Set? It's set mouse mode, right? Am I hallucinating? Input dot set mouse mode. I feel like I'm stupid. What is going on here? I don't know. I swear to God, for some reason this is not working. Parse error not found in base GDScript native class. What? 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 What's the project called we are working? I don't know. I haven't given it a name yet. Input dot get mouse mode. For some reason that's not working. Oh, it's set mouse. I set earlier. Set mouse mode. Am I using an outdated tutorial? Let me check. Godot mouse mode. Change mouse mode. Don't read my previous message unless you hate me speaking Korean. I don't know why you're speaking Korean though. Okay. I don't think they're set. Okay, I think I'm using an outdated tutorial. Mouse mode. There's no set mouse mode. It's just mouse mode, I think. Mouse mode. Mouse. Okay, what are the mouse mode? Wait. Changing the mouse cursor. Mouse mode. Let me figure out how to get the mode here. Slime should do a sexy slime DLC at the game, priced at $420.69. I don't know if I'm gonna make this game like payable. I don't know if I'm gonna actually publish it on Steam. You know, if I do, it'd probably be on like what's it called? Fucking itch. How do I change the mode? What the fuck? I feel stupid. Huh? Huh? I swear I've done this before. Mouse mode. Oh, okay. Mouse mode equals input dot mouse mode confined. There we go. Don't know why that took me so long to fucking figure out. I literally had to Google it up, open like a fucking forum to fucking figure that out for some reason. That took me way too difficult to figure out. It's still not working. For some reason oh, it is. Okay, that works. That is working. That is working. It's about 2.27 euro. I don't know if I'm gonna make this game paid. I don't think it's good enough to be paid. Okay, what mouse mode should I do? Mouse mode confined. Captured. Let's do captured. That way I don't think my mouse will show up. Yeah, okay. That is good. That way my mouse won't show up. Now I need to figure out how to do a mouse movement. Let me figure out how to do mouse movement here. How do I do mouse movement? Let's do this 3-minute video on mouse movement.
Hello everyone, Nightlock here, and today we're going to shape. I'm going to quick.
Let me just. I just need I need the very short details.
Well,
vector to physics process.
Basically, we just have to
get mouse position. What? Okay, this guy is doing some weird, wacky shit. This guy is doing some weird, wacky shit.
Paste it into your code, and you'll instantly.
Oh wait, okay. I need to import the camera. Okay, that's something I have to do.
Head variable.
I can import the camera. I know how to do that. That's how I've done that before. I can import the camera. There we go. Camera. Let me just do a camera here. Variable camera. Everyone try how his other game. My other game is not good. Okay, it's kind of meh. I am proud of it though, honestly.
which is referencing the head of the player.
The head. Oh wait, I should put this in a node. Wait, let me put this in a node. Node 3D. Yeah, I'm gonna think like a gamer. I'm gonna think like a game dev. You know, this guy is doing some wacky shit. Slime in space, doing some weird whack. You know, I don't know why, but just like I forget everything, man. I forget everything. Like I forget everything. I've done this before. Okay, like when I was locked. Okay, there were times when I was so locked in. I like developed a state system, like a fucking state system for my like actual like characters in my AI. Like when I was actually locked into game dev, I was actually doing some mad shit. I was actually doing the high IQ shit. Like I was making like fucking state machines. I was doing like component based programming. I created procedural generation. Like I was locked in before. I was actually locked in. And then whenever I do something new, I'm like having to relearn like a baby. I have to redo everything. Um, Relearn everything. So yeah, this is the head. This is the head that I'm giving people. Head. There we go. That's the head. I know I was cracked at Java before the vacation, but now I'm learning for my exam and remember nothing. Isn't it public static void main bracket strings square bracket args bracket there? That's all you need to know. Public static void main string args. That's all you need to know. You'll pass your exam. That's all you need to know. Literally all you need to know. Also, object-oriented programming. You'll probably need to know that too for Java. Object-oriented programming. You know, what's the difference between a static method and a non-static? You know, should I actually like study with Nutty Buddy right now? Nutty Buddy, quick question. What's the difference between a static method and a non-static method? I actually have learned Java. I've learned Java, believe it or not. I know Java. I know Java. Only a little bit. No, not a lot, but I know a little bit. A little bit of Java.
Now let's it keyboard out.
Then
we'll know that.
Oh, mouse movement. Okay, mouse movement.
I'll explain player, but we're gonna rotate it by X. Like setting. See, it is by mouse sensitivity. And
rotate Y. What? Is that a function?
Let's run this. See what it looks like. You can see it is working. We're rotating around by moving our mouse from left. And this is actually not a problem with the sensitivity. This is because we're rotating in radians. We'll quickly convert to degrees by saying
static is bad because it makes red lines a lot. Just pretend to VThor pirate software. I don't know what that sentence means. And why do I have a snotty nose right now? In just 2 weeks, I unlearned 2 years of education. Damn, that's kind of sad. Like, that's literally me, man, having to relearn everything.
Degrees.
Let me figure out how this guy did this.
Now we're inverted to invert it. Sprint. Now we would just rotate the whole player and rotate the X.
Yeah, okay. I think I got this. I think if event is mouse input mouse, then bracket, then this. Oh, it's mouse movement. Mouse movement. Mouse motion, was it? Yeah, it's mouse motion. He is a pro game who? Oh, pirate software. Oh yeah, I know him. I know him. I haven't seen that many of his videos. I saw like one clip and I was like, yeah, I'm good. I'd rather not. Static variables are available in all the methods of the class. You mean all instances of the class or something? I don't remember the technical details, but static variables and static methods are different. Static methods are, you can use that method even if you don't have an instance of the class. But static variables are, you can only have one variable across all instances. Or whatever, you know. Something like that. I don't know. Explaining things is hard. So I'll do head dot rotation. Wait, let me figure this out. This is head, right? Let me do head here. Head. I'm gonna put this to head. I'm gonna redo this because I changed the name of it. Head. Call. Wait, what? What do you mean event is callable? Let me is oh wait, okay, you don't do this, but that's not a function. That's not a function. This is fun to watch. I feel like watching me learn the code from like scratch is really boring. Is this fun to watch, guys? Is this fun to watch? Dot X. Was it? How do you access just the X? Is that how you access the rotation?
Do almost exactly the same I just showed.
Okay, let's just do head dot rotate X. Slime is better in English and IT than me. A monumental loss. I'm here for the chat as always. That's fair enough, that's fair enough. So mouse. How do I get mouse? Event. Oh wait, okay. Event is the variable. Event dot wait. I'm literally blanking out, man. I'm blanking out. Dot relative dot x. Yeah, okay, let's do that. And I think I have to clamp this after because it's gonna rotate all around. So I think I might have to clamp this after so that the camera doesn't go all the way around. Oh my god. Okay, I need to convert this degree to radians, right? Or is it radians to degree? Rad to degree, yeah. I need to convert this radians to degrees, right? Wait, what? Oh, wait, okay, you have to put this on the outside. Fuck. Bro. Rotate X, rad 2 degrees. 2 degrees. And then I put this inside. Right? That's how I do it, right? Right? No? No? Did I do this wrong? Let's do this, maybe? Is that right? No? Man, I'm bad at this. Holy shit. What the fuck? Why is this not working? Oh, is it degree to rads or is it rad to degrees? I'm gonna take points off for no type safety on the event. Whatever, who fucking cares? I don't care about that. I'm relearning everything from scratch. It makes me feel better about my progress for learning about my exam. You should probably be studying for your exam, I'm gonna be honest. You should probably be studying for it. Is it rad to degrees or is it degree to rad?
You can just change out X.
I think it's degree to rad. Degree to rad. I'm still getting an error for some reason. I swear I'm following this tutorial.
Rotate the head.
Degree rotate dot x. Oh wait, is it this? Is it this? I think that might be it. Yeah, there we go. I problem solved. Woo! Literally took me so long. I swear to God, this entire stream is just gonna be me figuring out how to make a player. Literally just gonna be a player. Just gonna be a player. That's gonna be my entire stream. Just me make. Holy fucking shit! My camera is giving me an aneurysm right now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn down like the sensitivity. Let me do negative as well. I think I need to do negative. For some reason, something is wrong here. Something is definitely wrong here. Something is very, very wrong with my thing. Let me. Oh my god! Wait, what the fuck? Something is very. Okay, you guys can't see this, but something is very wrong.
I can just copy.
Oh, okay, I get it. For some reason, they reversed it. So Y is X and X is Y. I don't remember why they did that. There we go. Now it's kind of working. Kind of working. Let me do that. Something's wrong. Something is wrong for some reason. Of course, there's something always wrong. Give some touch powder to the neighbor's kid today. For legal reasons. I must specify this. For legal reasons, huh? I'm gonna try reading a book, by the way, because my current occupation forces me to do so. Reading is fun, depending on what you read. Reading can be fun though, you know. It's actually going pretty well at the moment. That's good. Hopefully, you actually do well in your exam, you know.
This one, that's perfect. Is inverted or not?
Head.rotate x.rotate y. What am I doing wrong? Let me do only one for now. That way I can figure out what I'm doing wrong. Okay, so the x-axis is good right now. The x-axis is good. I guess I can put like sensitivity here. At export sensitivity var sensitivity equals 1.0. That way I can like have sensitivity there and edit that. Wait, where's sensitivity? Why can I not edit it? Oh, right there. Okay. If I need to edit it, it's right there. Where is it again? Sensitivity. Let me edit the sensitivity. Times sensitivity. Did I spell that right? I did not spell that right, did I? Oh, of course I didn't. I spelled it incorrectly. Itch Maxine actually reads the safety man. I don't think anyone actually reads it. Okay, I can move my head now. Fantastic. Whoa, I can only move it left and right. I need to figure out how to move up and down. Okay, now to figure out the up and down. I don't know why it's reversed. I don't know why it's relative y and relative x for some reason. Okay. Let me add a negative here. Will that work, maybe? Oh, there we go. It finally worked, but for some reason... Okay, I'm gonna have to lower the sensitivity because, that is really fast. I'm gonna do like 0.1 or something. Okay, this camera is really fucking wonky. This camera is... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna show it on screen, but this camera is fucking wonky as shit. This fucking camera is wonky. If I can actually show it. This camera is wonky. I feel like something's wrong here with this camera. I feel like there's something wrong with this camera. Yeah, I think I need to add a clamp. I'm definitely gonna have to add a clamp. I'm gonna have to add a clamp. Clamp. How do I add a clamp again? I don't remember. Oh man, I know the concepts. The thing is, I know the concepts, but the thing is, I just don't remember how to actually implement it. I understand the concepts. Like believe me, I understand the concepts.
Yeah, that's better.
For some reason, his looks so fucking good. His camera just looks so fucking good, and then you look at my camera. Oh, he didn't rotate his head. His head didn't rotate. Maybe this will make things better. Let's try that. Try that. Oh, that actually looks better. Wow, that actually looks really better. That looks so much better, actually. This looks so much better. Holy fuck. Yeah, okay, I don't want to rotate the head. Rotating the head was the problem. Do not rotate the head. Rotate the body. Yeah, that was a way problem right there. A way problem.
So we're going to set our head dot rotation.
Oh, because I think he's rotating rotating relative. I get the problem. He's rotating relative. Since okay, I get the problem now. He was rotating relative, I think. So the head, do not do that. Do not rotate relative, or whatever. Maybe I don't know. How do I wait? Head dot rotation dot x equals 10. Wait, is that valid? I'm gonna just do this. This is just for testing purposes. I want to see if you can modify the x value of the rotations directly. Okay, you can. Let me do this 0.01 so I can like test this out. Yeah. Yeah. This is so scuffed, man. I'm testing things now. Okay, you can modify. You know, I think I might just do this. I think I literally just might just do this. Wait, wait. Let me see if I can like do my own form of uh. Can I just do this? Will this work better? I don't know. Will this work? I don't think this will work as I expect, but you never know. You never know how things might turn out. You know, you never know. Y, X, and Y. Never know how things turn out, so might as well test this. You know. Itch Maxstein is actually smart. Believe it or not, most of my chat is actually smart. Like, it's actually surprising, but a lot of my chat is actually smart for some reason. A lot of you guys are smart. And that concerns me. Why are smart people watching me? Oh, wait. Okay, let me do plus equals. Do you need delta time? I don't know. I'll figure it out as I keep going. I'll figure it out. You know, this actually works better. I think I prefer my code. I think I prefer my code over his code. I'm gonna be real. I create a better player controller than him, I think. I think I prefer this. I think I prefer this, I think. Yeah, I think I prefer this, actually. I think I prefer this. Smart people, only smart people can dumb down. Dumb people would just die when watching. I don't know why. My nose is stuffy right now. Give me a sec. I don't know why it's stuffy. I think it's been winter. I feel like we already talked about opposites attract each other. But the thing is, when opposite of dumb, like smart people, watch my stream, they get dumber as well. Like, I actively kill brain cells. 9 people are currently watching Slime clean his nose. You guys are joining my stream to watch me clean my nose. The level of my intelligence is creating an automatic sounding device with exposed wire. Those are some fancy ass words you're using there, bud. Okay. I have created a semi-functional movement system. Or camera system, I guess. I can even jump. But for some reason, my jumping is not working properly. Okay, I think I gotta clamp this as well. How do I clamp this? How do I clamp something again? Let me figure out how to clamp this. I forgot to use the clamp.
And it's maximum. It's gonna be. We're gonna have to.
Oh right, I can just do clamp. Yeah, there's a clamp. Yeah, there's a clamp button. Head dot rotation dot y dot clamp. Clamp rotation dot y negative 89 and 89. That was it, right? Is this how I do it? Cannot. Is it 89.0? Head dot rotation dot x. I'm back. Hello, back. I'm Slime. Nice to meet you. That's something I have to say every single time. I'm cursed with saying that every single time.
Again.
Oh, it's clamp dot. It's clamp equals, not clamp dot. God damn. There we go. Is this how you do it? I think this is how you do it, right? Yeah. Yeah, you guys are watching me learn this, like, actually learning. I'm actually gonna lock in, honestly. I'm gonna actually lock in. I'm gonna try to actually, Why is the clamp not working? What? The clamp is literally not working. Why not? Why is
using the degrees to radians function? So
oh, degrees to radians. Fuck. It's always degree to fucking radians, man. Holy shit, that is so fucking geeky ass annoying. Holy shit. Who the fuck invented radians anyways? Radians is like gotta be one of the most annoying things ever. I hate radians. Absolutely despise it. Like, who the fuck thought it was a good idea to create, like, an inferior version of degrees. Literally, radiance is just degrees but worse. Like, literally just degrees but worse. Literally just degrees but worse. I thought it would be funny, but got bored and didn't cover the wire. Literally just an electric motor with some gears to change speed and a crank hooked to a slide. TNT was doing some fancy like engineer shit. Doing some like fancy engineer shit. And here I am struggling to like I don't know, like whatever I'm doing right now. I'm struggling to do this. I'm falling off the void. I'm learning while Slime is learning. Maybe this stream is actually good for brains. You know, this is actually an educational stream, maybe. This is an educational stream. Holy fuck, this is an educational stream. Oh, I just realized. Oh my god, I just realized something. I fucked up. Okay, I need to rotate the body. I need to rotate the body as well. Because if I rotate the head, it's not gonna follow, if I press forward and I rotate my head, it's gonna go in the completely wrong direction. I gotta remove head here. I think the video was right. The video was right. You had to separate the head from the body. You have to separate the head from the body. Yeah, you have to separate the head from the body. That sounds so bad. You have to behead someone. Yeah, you have to behead. You have to separate the head from the body in order for this to work. Why is this not working? What? Yeah, I gotta separate the head from the body. Head. Body. Okay, let me figure out what's wrong here first of all. Oh wait, degrees to radiance. Wait, let me put this degrees to radiance here first. Why would you? Oh right, why would I need a clamp? Wait, okay, X-axis is up and down, right? Wait, no, wait. Okay, for some reason, Godot uses X-axis as up and down. I don't need a clamp for my Y-axis. You're right, yeah, you're right. I don't need a clamp for my Y-axis. You're right. For this, I can remove my head. Thank you for pointing that out, starts with K. I honestly would have been, like, fucking stupid if I didn't, like, remove that clamp. Okay, it should be functioning now. It should be fully functioning. My moving body is fully functioning now. You guys can't see it, but I'll show it later. I'll show my screen when I actually make good progress. You know, I'll actually show my screen when I actually make decent progress. Okay, for now, let's add a world. Let's add an environment. Let's add a world environment here. A world environment. Woo! World environment. You guys excited? World environment. Woo! Let's add a camera too. Let's add the sun. Let's add the sun. Yeah, the sun. It's the sun. It's the sun. For some reason, nothing's rendering in my game. It's just gray. Why is everything just gray? Why the fuck is everything just gray? Why is my cube gray? Why the fuck is everything gray? Hey, you know what? I'm gonna draw something. I'm gonna draw something like as grass, maybe. I need to add grass. Oh man, I don't remember. Okay, you know, I'm gonna show you guys a pretty good tutorial. Forest. This is the tutorial that I followed before. This was the forest environment, entire process from scratch. This is the tutorial I followed for my other game that I did.
Tutorial I'm there. And of the
So I'm just gonna skip the part where he makes the thing. I just need a part where he puts it into the game.
And I'll click new inherited. Okay, so now we need to get started putting together our environment control.
Okay. Slime, you look so sexy. What? I think I look the same. The only time something similar to this happened was when me and my peers had to build pairs. Me and my pairs had to build/use something. And I was the only one who read. I was like telling them, hey, maybe we should read the manual. But to be fair, who actually reads the manual? Like, come on. Come on, who actually reads manuals these days? Who actually reads manuals?
Hey, in this Godot 4 tutorial,
okay, I just need to figure out how you put this in. How do you create a plane again? I don't remember. I just need to learn the basics. Come on, tell me the basics.
And, no environment or anything. We're just going to use this as the starting point. And I've got my folder of assets here. So this Okay, so now it's to use. And
What do you
here,
use for the plane? Wait, is it mesh? Wait, is it mesh? Mesh. Mesh instance. Wait. Mesh instance. Wait. Mesh instance. The mesh is empty. New plane mesh. Does a plane have collision? I don't think it does it? Wait, okay, oh my god, this is what I was thinking of before. Holy fucking shit. Okay, this is what I was thinking of before. You can add a collision onto a mesh very easily with just this. Literally just a button. Oh wait, did I do that wrong? I think I did that wrong. Collision shape. Sibling. Static body child. There we go. You can add a... Guys, if you guys are doing like a floor or something, use meshes. Meshes are good. Meshes are very good. See? Now I have a plane, a floor that actually works. There we go. That actually works. And with this mesh, I can like add textures or whatever onto it. I need to make a texture. How do I make a texture again? If I can actually remember how to make a texture. Why did only 2 people like this stream? People don't like watching me like do what's it called? Fucking game dev, I think. I think it's the reason because people don't want to see me do game dev. Game dev is annoying. Skin. What the fuck is a skin? What? I need a material. I need to add like some kind of material here. I need to give it a color so I can see it. Shading. Where's the albedo? What the fuck is an albedo anyways? Am I dumb? But what the hell is an albedo? Is that like albedo from like Overlord? Okay, there is no sun or whatever. There is no sun. According to Nutty Buddy, I'm not a real person. Are you guys, any of you guys real? Are you guys just like figments of my imagination? Sometimes I imagine you guys are just like figments of my imagination. And none of you guys are real. I'm just like being like fucking tricked by you guys. I'm not real. So let's change this to display lighting. No, I want to display the actual view so that I can, wait. Environment? Fuck, what? View, display lighting. No. Overdraw. Advanced. How do I show what I actually see in game? Add a moon instead of a sun? I theoretically, I want to do a day and night cycle in my game. I want to do a day and night cycle, if possible. I don't know if I can do that or not, but my game right now is really dark for some reason. I want to make the game. I want to add like a skybox. How do I add a skybox again? Preview sun. Add sun to the scene. Oh wait, I haven't added the sun to the scene yet. Let me do that real quick. Add sun to the scene. Directional light. This should give my game some light, right? Yeah, my game is much brighter now. It's much brighter. How do I add a skybox though? Skybox. There should be a sky option here, right? Clear color. Sky. Sky. New sky. Sky material. Holy shit. How many like fucking materials do I have to add? Holy shit. How many fucking material? Like I have to like press this. Holy fuck. I just want a color. Where's the color option? Where's the color option? I just want to like do a color. I exist in my own imagination, or do I? Maybe it's the maybe you guys are just like my dementia demons or whatever. My paralysis demons. I don't buy from IKEA that often. I get my furniture from Porta. Tommy is an actual NPC. His room is only white and gray. It feels like a... Maybe I should make his room later. Maybe I should make his room in, like, Blender. If his room is only white and gray, I feel like I can make his room. Okay, why is the sky completely black? Like, I feel like I'm making a horror game right now. How do I make a sky again? I don't... Oh, okay, that looks pretty nice. It actually looks pretty nice. Wow. That actually looks pretty nice. Wait, that actually looks pretty nice. I've added, like, a somewhat manageable sky. I've added a somewhat decent-looking sky. Wait, Nutty Buddy, aren't you German too? Apparently, a lot of Germans join my stream for some reason. Don't know why, but Germans love joining my stream. Okay, this is the ground. Okay, it only took me an hour hour to figure out how to create the moving player. I guess I should show it. It's not very good, but I guess I should show it anyways, I guess. Let me show this to you guys, I guess. Germans love cube. I don't know why you guys are here then. You guys won't find that here. So now I have a semi-functional, like, moving character. Whew, that took me way too freaking long, man. That took me way too freaking long. But I got it functioning now. I got it working. Let's go. I got it working. And in only an hour, too. Only in an hour. I got a functioning game only in an hour. Where is the milking? Not here. This is not the milking stream. I hate to tell you, but this is not the milking stream. Okay. Okay. Now that I have a somewhat functional thing going on here. I've got a somewhat functional thing here. So I guess I'm going to make one tile of this game 10 meters by 10 meters, maybe? How big is one tile here? How big is a single tile? Oh my god, what the fuck? View environment. It's not view environment for now. The environment's kind of nasty. Also, welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day, Yasil. Hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, how big is one tile here? I'm gonna move this to see how big is one tile. How many meters is it? Like 8? 8 meters, maybe? 8 meters, maybe? Yeah, that's 8 meters. So one tile is gonna be 8 meters by 8 meters. I'm going to create 8 meters by 8 meters here. 8 meters by 8 meters. And then I'm going to snap this. Is there a snapping option? How do I snap in this game? How do I snap? Oh, yeah. Okay, there's a snap button. That's 8 meters by 8 meters. I'm going to make it, like, for now, I'm going to make, like, a huge... Okay, I'm going to create, like, a main. This is main. They spelled it completely wrong. Why did you neglect to respond? You are well aware of my impatience. And when I pose... a question. I prefer to receive an answer what question? That is German. I don't feel like translating it, okay? I'm like literally in the middle of game dev, okay? Literally in the middle of game development here. So, rather not have to open up Google Translate. Okay, I'm gonna create another node. This is gonna be the world gen. This is gonna be world gen. I'm gonna turn this into a normal node, not a node 3D. Just for a different color, you know, different color for the eyes. World gen. This is world generation system. This is the world gen system. Slime, you cannot ignore us forever. I mean, you can. Still don't know what you guys mean by gamed, for a fucking milking stream. I don't know what to do for a milking stream. Why the fuck do you guys want a milking stream? World gen. There we go. World gen. Okay. For now, I'm going to create a basic world gen. It's going to create 100 by 100 tiles. It's going to create 100 by 100. That might take a while, actually. Let's do like 20 by 20, actually. Let's do 20 by 20. How do I do a for loop again? For wait, this is Java. This is Java, right? For I in 20... For J in 20, I don't remember how you do for loops. Okay, let me search this up. I need to search up the Godot documentation. Godot loops. Let me search up the Godot documentation. Looping, GD script. For I in 8. That's what I did, right? Oh, okay, I need to do pass. Okay. For another one, literally, I've done Java so much, I literally have it drilled into my head. For int I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Literally been drilled into my head. Literally been drilled into my head. Like, literally everything, I'm like, is that how I do it? Is that how I do it? Slorm is never safe from us. The reason intellectual individuals are drawn to your stream lies in the principle that opposites attract. As a fascinating phenomenon, their intelligence diminishes while yours increases, converging until that equilibrium is achieved. However, as my intellect remains impervious to decline, the balance will perpetually shift. I don't think I'm getting smarter. I think my intelligence is remaining the same. I ain't even gonna lie. Java does for loops the best. Java's pretty good at for loops. Honestly, I don't have Java PTSD. Java's not that bad. Try using assembly. I fucking had to use assembly once, and holy shit, I'd rather have cancer. Legit, I think I would rather have cancer than do fucking assembly again. Fucking move. What's it called? EAX20. Like, bro. Bro, the amount of times I had to do this. The amount of times I had to do this. The amount of 20 I had to fucking do this. Holy shit. PTSD from, like MASM. Fucking machine code, like, fucking, like, shift left, shift right. Fucking, like, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna get an aneurysm. Like, it takes 20 steps to do one normal step in any other coding language. Like, you have to do 3 steps to just add a number. If you want to add the number 2 to another number, that takes like 3 or 4 steps. Like, holy fuck. Slime literally feels like a slightly smarter English version. Let's Hugo. I'm not smarter than anything, honestly. How brain dead is that Hugo? Yeah, how fucking dumb does someone have to be for me to be smarter? We are learning assembly in school. TNTO loves it. I hate you, TNTO. An enemy, a friend of an enemy is my enemy. And since you are a friend of my enemy, you are now my enemy, TNTO. I hate you. I despise you, okay? I despise you. I hate you. Hate you. How dare you like assembly? Assembly is awful. Let me check how much this is, actually. Let me see, how many meters is this? So this is 4? Okay. So this starts from... Okay, this starts from here. That's the middle is 4, 4. Let me do 4, 4 here, okay. So... How do I create a new mesh? How do I create a new mesh? Should I create a floor node? Wait a second. Wait, let me create a new node. Turn this into a new node, actually. Make scene root. Wait, is that? Wait, no. Okay, that's not what I intend to do. I want to make this its own scene. How do I make this its own scene? Save branch as scene. So this is ground node. Let's do this ground node. I love you, Pookie Bear. Yes, I know TNTO and Itch Maxstein are deeply in love. The two of them deeply love each other. Can you VIP people on YouTube? I think I can turn people into mods, I think. Assembly isn't even that bad. Most of the things can be avoided. But if you're not using libraries, like, what I had to do was I had to fucking learn everything from scratch. Literally, the only library I could use was Irvine or something. Arvine, I think. That was the only one I could use. But other than that, I had to do everything manually. Like, fucking dump regs. I had to look at the EAX registers. Like, I had to convert hexadecimals into, like, normal numbers. So I could fucking figure out what I was doing. I met Sloom. I don't think anybody loves me. I'm gonna be real. I don't think anybody loves me. I ship Itch TNTO or TNT Magstein. I don't know. I know those two are deeply in love, though. Those two are deeply in love. They kiss each other goodnight every day or something. Okay. So now that I have a floor scene, I can just create an instance of this scene every single time I want to, like, create a floor, right? So I can just do this. Preload. How do I create a node? Wait, let me create a node. Godot. Create node. Add node. Add scene in code. Add scene in code. Okay, let me get node. So basically, I don't know if it's clear right now. So basically, I create a node for my my floor. I want to create this node. I want to loop it like 20 times. So I want to do node here, node. That's what I'm trying to do here. So I'm going to create like a very simple generation. Very, very simple for now. Very simple. I'm going to add more on the node later. Like later on, I'm going to add like, I don't know, like adding like fucking like different types of nodes, like desert, sandy, rocky biomes or whatever. But for now, very simple. Very simple for now though. What have you guys been saying? Some German thing. Why are you using browser? This is not browser. This is not Wait, this is not browser. It's just that I happen to have the browser open. This is not browser Godot. I'm not using Godot on the browser. This is not browser Godot. I just happen to have a browser open to search things up. It just happens to be like Godot is right on top. This is not browser Godot. Welcome to stream Flames Games. How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. I'm not using browser Godot. That would be kind of funny. You know, honestly, Godot is very lightweight. I want to... Honestly, someone should, like, create like, a web version of, like... Wait, does it actually exist? Is this actually real? Wait. I don't know if this is real or not, but... I know that they're good. I know you can use Godot on your phone. There is a phone version of Godot. Like, one time I was bored, I searched Godot on my phone and was like, holy shit, who the hell is going to do game development on their phone of all things? Like, what? Who the hell is going to do game development on their phone of all things? Yeah, I don't know. How to instantiate a scene. This is what I'm trying to do. Instantiate a scene. Var. I want to instantiate a scene into the fucking, so is it .new? Godot has a web client. Hello, Igor. Hazario. Yes, I literally just figured that out. I just searched it up, and apparently there's a browser version. I gotta be real. I love how lightweight Godot is. Godot is so lightweight. Like, I used Unity once, and using Unity was like a fucking hog. It was like, it's like trying to move in mud. I swear to God, like trying to use Unity or whatever, it's like trying to swim through mud. But then using Godot is like, I'm flying through the air, man. It's so lightweight. I love it. I know it doesn't have as much features and stuff, but come on, I'm new to game development, so it doesn't matter to me that much. Anyways, I need to figure out how to instantiate a node here. So is it var sprite 2D or is it var mesh? Since I'm using a mesh, var, is this a mesh? Mesh instance 3D. Wait, var. Okay, I'm just gonna do random. Var temp equals ground node. Ground node dot new. Is this it? Is this how I'm doing it? I mean, I'm not having an error so far. So, what are you making? I am making a roguelike. I know, very original, very original with me. I'm trying to make like an open world roguelike. Like, I don't know if anyone here plays traditional roguelikes, but something like, I don't know, like Caves of Cud or Tales of Mayajad or whatever, but in 3D or something like that. I actually, I went from Godot to Unreal to Unity. Godot is nice, but not powerful enough. I mean, fair enough. I have heard that argument a lot, but the thing is, I'm very new to game dev, so to me, the power of an engine doesn't matter that much. But I can see why, for like an experienced game developer, I can see why you would like prefer something. It's like a simple or complex, you know? Like, if you're doing something simple like me, probably won't matter that much. But if you're like, for me, I like game development casually. You know, I want to just like be on break, boot up Godot and just like work on it. That's me, you know? Boot it up and just work on it. But Unity, I have to wait like fucking 5 minutes for it to finish loading and before I can actually work on it. But yeah. Yeah. I'm not technically new. I made Scratch games when I was a kid for like an entire year. Scratch was my existence, man. I loved Scratch when I was a kid. Scratch is based as hell. Based as shit, man. I love Scratch. I love Scratch. Scratch is my ass. I mean, what? Huh? What? Anyways. World Gen. This is the World Gen node. This is the world gen node. Let me add child. Add child temp. Will this work? Let's hope that this works. For now. Okay, you know, I'm gonna do testing. You know, I gotta always do some testing first, you know. Gotta test this first, just to see that this works. Let me test this. Will this add... Nope, that does not exist. Okay, that only works for something else, I'm assuming. Okay. Lamau, I never fully released my game, Nutty Buddy, so I didn't make anything. Yeah, I don't make anything for my games either. Just casually try to learn things here, though. Let me close this. How do I instantiate a scene? Instantiate scene in code. Am I on the right thing here? Scene. How do I instantiate a scene? Oh, okay, it's right here. Literally, I'm so blind. All I had to do was scroll down, like a literal fucking, like, literally just had to scroll down. Like, literally like a meter or whatever. And then it's really right there. Okay, var.instantiate, not .nudes, and .instantiate. Okay, instantiate. Instantiating something is something I despise in Godot. It's so annoying. I don't know. I don't use instantiation a lot, so I don't know how annoying it is. Make some milk from your game. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. I don't know why you want me to do a milking stream so badly. Oh, okay, this works. This works. It is confirmed that this works. Okay, it confirms that this works. Now is the question. I need to do this so it can basically this is what I'm kind of trying to do here. Very bad sketch. So basically I want to do 2 for loops. So for loop 1 from 1 to 20 vertical. 20 of these or whatever. 20 like tiles, and then the second for loop, which is 1 to 20 again, goes down another 20, and this fills in here. That's basically my tile map. This is what I want to do for now. It's very simple. Like the map is very, very simple, just literally a square. But I want to improve it later on. You know, I want to improve my map later on. How do I move the position of my my instantiated scene though? How do I okay, can I do this? Temp.position equals I equals vector 3 XYZ. I'm assuming Z is upwards, right? Wait, what are the directions in Godot again? I forgot. I know Godot has the XYZs in different directions in like normal math. So like this is 8 times 20. Wait, 8 times I. 8 times J. And this is just 0, I think. I think this is it. I feel like I'm doing this wrong, but I'll see. You guys can't see this, but something happened. I feel like I did something wrong here. I don't know what, but I feel like I did something wrong. Let me show you guys what I see. I love eating from my dirty floor. Good to know. That's good to know, man. That's good to know. Anyways, I don't know why, but this only loops twice for some reason, I think. This goes all the way back there. Very interesting. This is truly this truly is the first milking type roguelike. I'm sure there actually exists as a milking type roguelike out there. I'm sure there exists. What is going on? Okay, I gotta figure out what the error here is. Maybe it's... Okay, let me try this, actually. Let me try this. I don't know, maybe if I did something, like, with the positions wrong. Or the vertices. Oh, yeah, this worked. Yeah, this worked. This worked. Okay, that worked. That worked. Okay. Should I randomize the color for now? Actually, I'm gonna randomize the material color. How do I randomize the material color? Because for now, I can't really tell. But maybe I should like randomize the material color. Because later on, I want to like add different types of like floors and ground nodes. But for now, this seems working. Um. Okay, let's add sprinting. Let's add sprinting right now. Let's actually add sprinting. How do I add sprinting? TNT want to exchange slime sound waves. What? Huh? Are you guys okay? Okay, let's whatever. Let's add sprinting. Let's add sprinting for now. Let's find a way to add sprinting this game. Should be shift, right? So do I have a shift button? Do I have shift? I don't think I do. I'm gonna open up my my input map. You guys can't see this. TNT one exchange typo. I meant some. Yeah, I don't know why you put. Oh, that's slime. That's two eyes. I thought you put slime there for a sec. Let me add sprint button here. Let me add a sprint button. Okay, close. I add a sprint button. Okay, how do I add sprint again? I don't remember. If input is pressed, if input dot is action pressed sprint. Let me do speed as not a constant. Let me do this. Speed equals 10. Else speed equals 5. This should work, right? Speed is not declared in the current. Oh my god. I forgot to capitalize it. Speed. aka I show speed. Balls. This stream is like watching an extremely old man trying to read a book without glass. You know, this is not meant to be, this is meant for me to be learning, okay? I like game development, okay? I don't know if you guys actually, if you guys don't like watching me do game development streams, I won't do a game development stream again, okay? Like, if you guys don't want, you guys gotta tell me, okay? You guys gotta tell me if you guys like it or not. Okay, that didn't work. Why is this not working? Why is this not working? Shoes? Have a good day, TNTO. Have a good day. And I don't know who you're referring to by, I don't know who you referring to by a cute femboy. That's because there's no here. There's no one here. Okay, this works, right? This sprinting works? I think this works, right? Yeah, I think that works. There we go. Let me try it with an absurd speed. Let me try with an absurd speed. It is like ASMR. You guys like my voice that much? I don't think my voice is that particularly cool, but whatever. Okay, I got speed working. Now we got speed. I show speed. I hate. You guys want me to do ASMR? Hey guys, this is slime ASMR. Yeah, this is slime ASMR, guys. You guys, like slime ASMR. You guys want me to do ear licking ASMR or whatever. Yeah, you guys like this ASMR. Yeah, this is disgusting. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. Exactly what I thought. Yeah, I'm just here doing game development, okay? I'm doing game development. You guys rather me play a game or do you guys rather me watch this? Like, I really honestly don't know. I like to try new things sometimes, you know? I like to try new things, and game development is a new thing I try sometimes. This is probably going to be boring for most people who aren't interested in game development, but, you know, this might interest some people, you know? It might interest some people. Okay, I'm going to add a stamina bar as well, you know? I'm gonna add a stamina bar. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do that once I set up the game properly. Okay, let me, I've now created a basic world, I suppose. This is like a basic world. Let me see how long this map is. No, because when you do game development, you are much calmer. That is true. I am much calmer because I actually want to learn though. I actually want to learn and actually play this game. Like, not play this game, like actually make something. I actually want to make something when I do game development. So that's kind of why I actually just like focus. I'm actually locking in. But you know, when I lock in, people don't really like. I'm not making any like funny sounds. I'm not making any jokes or whatever. That's not wrong. That's why I kind of like. I guess it's kind of boring. I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna create. This is one chunk. I think a 10 by 10 is gonna be one chunk. I think that's gonna be one chunk. One chunk. This is like Minecraft. This is one chunk. Make a visual novel that ends in you getting milked. You know what? Should I add an Easter egg of me getting milked in this game? You know, I'll see. I'll see. Maybe I'll add a scene of me getting milked or something. I don't know. You know, but to be honest, I made more progress than usual than I thought I would. Honestly, I honestly thought it would take me 3 hours just to create a small world. I finished learning. I give up. I'll watch until 11 p.m. and then go to sleep. Welcome back, Nutty Buddy. So basically, I have my little, very simple, my very simple generation system working. Let me show it on screen here. Let me show it on screen. There we go. There we go. There we go. Wait, let me, fucking make this a little bit larger. This is, what I got. Woo! Very simple. Very simple so far. But it works, you know, it works. It works, you know. Very simple so far. Very simple, but it works. If it works, you know, if it works, it works. So this is one chunk. One chunk. Now I need to decide what kind of world generation I want to do. Should I do the world is already pre-generated for you. Like, do I want to do like a 100 by like 100 chunks by 100 chunks? That means this world is limited. There's a limited world space. Or should I do an infinite world? But the thing is, the infinite world is going to be much more complicated. So for the infinite world, I'm thinking of something like this. Like, the player is here. It loads 3 by 3 chunks around the player. 3 by 3 chunks around the player. And as the player moves around, it loads around. It keeps loading around the player, basically. That's my plan or whatever. So I'm not sure which one I want to do. But I like both. So maybe every 5 stream is game development. But the thing is, if I take breaks from game development, when I come back, I'm going to forget everything. I'm going to have to relearn everything too, so that's annoying. So if I'm going to do game development, I'd rather just like do multiple streams in a row. There should be ultra rare milk lakes I can generate. I don't know if I'm going to add swimming to the game. Maybe you can swim and drink my milk. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. Okay, what's the next step so far? I'm kind of stuck now because I don't know what steps I should do next here. What's my next step? What's my next step I should do? I don't even know, man. I don't even know. I mean, you could do game development off. I have done game development off stream. Okay, I have. I've made a game off stream, but like, figured it might be cool or fun to do it on stream too. But every single time I do a game development stream, people seem to hate it. Maybe I'll take this as a learning lesson and never do another game development stream. Sorry, I'm back. My nose keeps getting stuffy, man. I hope I'm not getting sick again. That would suck. That would actually suck, though. Anyways, next, if Slime does game dev streams continuously, maybe he will be forced. I'm still probably gonna have to conform to my what's it called, the schedule I have. I only stream when I'm free. All right, next part is Blender, I guess. I guess I should just start by modeling like characters. I guess I model a character. I've done enough coding now. I've done enough coding. I'm bored. I'm gonna do some modeling. How do I wait? Oh god, I completely forgot how to use this software. How the fuck do I use this software, man? How the fuck do I use this? Oh God, I swear to God, I've used Blender before. I've used Blender before. I promise, guys. Trust me. Uh, how do I do this again? I forgot. Fuck. Fuck me. What? Okay. Cursor to world origin. That's what I meant to do. All right, some Blender time. Some Blender time, guys. Some Blender time. Fuck. I don't remember how do I move something? Okay, that's scale. I don't know what that is. How do I move something? So that's G. G is grab. Grab. Okay, I'm gonna 3D model something now. You guys can see my 3D model skills, of which I have not 3D modeled anything, and I don't remember how. It's been like a year since I've 3D modeled something. Just Google Translate it yourself, Garrett, and post in chat. I really liked the stream today. It made studying a bit more bearable. You actually like me do game development? Do you actually like me when I do game development? Because that's a surprise. That is a bit of a surprise. Okay, let me do this. I guess I'm gonna make a basic NPC, I think. I'm gonna make a basic NPC. This is going to be an NPC. So anyways, I'm not gonna give the NPCs any feet, I think. I tried animation once and it was annoying. So I think I'm gonna make my NPC have no feet. I think I'm gonna make my NPC feetless. I think that's my plan. I'm gonna create a feetless NPC. Let me go on to edit mode. How do I bevel again? I don't remember. How do I bevel? Let me do something like this. How do I extrude? Scale this down. Extrude again. Scale that down. Okay, yeah, this is very fun to watch, guys. Very, very fun to watch. I do appreciate you guys, being here. Very chill. Yes, it is a very chill stream today, honestly. Very chill stream. Oh shit. Oh shit, wait, what? Oh god. Oh god, I just realized. Oh, ew, ew. This thing's uneven. Wait, what? Why is this off center? Why is this off center? Oh my, that is disgusting. Oh, ew, ew. That is, oh my god, that is disgusting. That is disgusting. Selection to cursor. Selection to cursor. Okay, that was so disgusting. This is an NPC, guys. I know it doesn't look like an NPC, but this is gonna be my NPC, guys. This is gonna be this is gonna be an NPC. Okay. I'm gonna do something unique with my game. I'm gonna make it so my NPCs don't have feet. They're gonna be like me, like you know those Wii characters. Wii characters. What are they called again? What are those Wii characters called again? Like these things. I'm gonna create these things, except they don't have feet. They don't have feet, and it's it's gonna be much more scuffed. It's gonna be a really poorly made NPC. But okay, that's my game plan. Okay, that's my game plan. I am. If you guys haven't noticed, I am also a very bad 3D modeler. Oh dear God, what is this? What is this? Oh my God. This is actually disgusting. Should I just restart? How do I turn on yeah, let's do this. This is disgusting, man. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. Holy fuck. I mean, I guess that works. My goal is to create them to have no feet. So, they're gonna be feetless. Oh, I should have done like a mirror modifier, shouldn't I? I should have done a mirror mod. Okay, I want to make mine low poly. I want to do a low poly style. I want to do a low poly style. Whatever, I guess. I'm gonna do low poly. It kind of looks like a dildo. What? Maybe, if I do this, I should have done I should have done, a fucking mirror modifier. No, I still can do that. I can still do mirror modifier. Just, let me do this. Let me move this out. Move this in. You know, it actually doesn't look as bad. You know, it doesn't look awful. I've seen worse. You know, I've seen worse. I've made worse things before. I have made worse things before, you know? And then I can just, like, add a head or whatever, I guess. Remni. Hey, I made it. I do not feel good. Welcome to the stream, and I hope you feel better. I don't know why you feel bad, but I hope you feel better. Maybe apply subdivision service mod. Like I said, I want to do a low poly. I actually have no cheese. I used all my cheese today to make a tortini with cheese sauce. That actually sounds good. If you are reading this, one must first question why. Secondly, proceed to ascertain whether there is a slice of cheese residing within your refrigerator. Should you discover said cheese, compose an exceptionally long message in the chat, ensuring it includes with the word fish. Maybe one of... I'm definitely going to be adding a slime to this game. Definitely going to be adding a slime to this game. I'm gonna add a mirror modifier. I'm gonna add a mirror modifier because I don't feel like adding two hands. So I'm gonna add a mirror modifier. How do I split this in half again? How do I split this in half? Well, what's this? What's the knife tool called? Knife. It's K. How do I split something straight in half? Oh, it's loop cut. It's loop cut. That's what it's called. Loop cut. Okay. Loop cut. Okay. Let me delete one side here. Delete vertices. There we go. And then I can add like a mirror modifier. Is this modifiers? No, that's materials. Where's modifier? Mirror. Control R. Yeah, there is way too many shortcuts. I don't remember them all. There is so many. I don't know how people like. You gotta be using like Blender for a long ass time to remember everything. You gotta be using Blender for like a long ass amount of time to remember all that. Today, almost everybody visited at least once or said something about tax fraud. Jeez. There should be a reference to Common Street. You know what? Actually, yes. I'll add you guys as NPCs. Like, I'll add you guys as NPCs. You know, I'll add you guys as NPCs because I feel like it. So let me know what you guys want to be, I guess. I can add you guys as NPCs. Let me move this down. I mean, to be fair, I don't know how my game's gonna turn out. Who knows? My game might not even turn out into something. I might just give up someday, you know? There's a very high chance I might just give up someday. And this might never turn into an actual game, so... yeah. So, scale... Y... I mean, I guess this looks fine, you know? It could be worse. Like, honestly, this could be worse. Like, it's not good, but, like, it could be worse, you know? It could be worse. I'm gonna create an elbow here. I'm gonna create an elbow. Let me move these... No, let me... 10. Nope, that is not what I meant to do. How do I move this closer to the center? Like, I want to move this, like, close to the center, but, like, very equally. Welcome back, Battle Tommy, with your main account this time. Common stream member. Sounds like some scientific name for a plant. You guys are all plants to me, okay? You guys are all plants. You guys are just plants, okay? You guys are just plants. Oh yeah, my stomach randomly started hurting and I want to die. I hope... Why do you guys feel so bad today? I hope you guys feel better, by the way. I hope you guys feel better. I hope you guys feel better. Let me loop cut this. This is gonna be the elbow. This is gonna be the elbow, I guess. This is the elbow, in case I ever need to bend it. You know, if I ever need to bend the elbow, I can bend it here. There we go, that's the elbow. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, actually. A little bit bigger, just like this. There we go. That's the NPC! Wait, no, I still not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. I was gonna be like, that's the NPC, I'm done. No, I'm not done. I am definitely not done. Let me bevel this. Bevel. Let me bevel that. Let me lightly bevel this. I mean, give me your honest opinion, guys. Give me your honest opinion. Remember to have good topology. I am not a good, what's it called? I'm not a good enough, 3D modeler to create good topology, okay? I'm a novice. Please do not get mad at me when I create things that are bad, okay? Please do not get mad. Because I am not good at this. This is a novice work here. Why is this not working? Okay, that looks bad. This looks bad. This looks bad. That looks awful. Okay, let's try this maybe? Does this look better? Guys, does this look better? Maybe? The arms are kind of thin though. The arms are kind of thin though. I have nothing bad today. I am perfect and the best. And generally, Yasil is just so confident in himself. You know, it would be like really karma if something were to happen to you. You know, it'd be real shame if something. I'm not gonna jinx it. You know, I'm not gonna jinx it, but like, it'd be a real shame if it'd be a real shame, bro. I sound so menacing. Let me scale this a little bit thinner. I want this guy to be a little bit thinner, I guess. I cast stub toe. That's very mean. You shouldn't stub people's toe, man. I want to add a sphere here. Let's add a sphere. Add a UV sphere, I guess. Oh my god. Is there like a normal sphere that isn't like so many... Okay, let me turn down the mouse segments. Let's do 10 segments, maybe? 8, 6. Let's do 6 and 6. 6 and 6 segments. Okay, that seems good. That seems good. Yeah, game development, guys. Game development. This is so fun to watch. Now, let's do X. There are way too many, like, controls to remember, man. Okay, let me do this. Let me delete one side. Let me delete the vertices here. There we go. How does this look? Why? Wait, why is this transparent? Why is this transparent? Is it supposed to be transparent? Wait, what? Wait, why is there a hole here? Why is there... I messed up, didn't I? Where the fuck did I mess up here? Where did I mess this up, guys? Where did I mess this up? I swear to God. Wait, what? Why is this messed up? Dashing through the snow in my rusty sleigh, dashing through the snow, past, I don't know why I'm singing. Anyways, I should sleep now. Have a good night, Battle Tommy. Wait, I'm gonna leave in 3 minutes. Turn on clipping. Oh, right, mirror. There should be like an option for what's it called? So the fact that it won't go through or something. Okay, where's my modifiers? Clipping. Let me turn this on. And then move X. There we go. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you for reminding me, fool. You seem like an expert. And I do appreciate it. Okay, there we go. Now it's physical. I mean, now my model is solid. How does my NPC look, guys? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Why did you neglect to respond? Chat moves fast, okay? Or another chat moves fast. Sometimes I don't read all the messages. Like it moves faster. Like sometimes I'm looking at chat once in a while. I don't always look. And sometimes I miss it. Why did you neglect to respond? You're well aware of my impatience when I pose a question. Let me read your other message. Or in another language, ich hab das Gefühl. Okay, that's just German. I don't know that language. Did you say anything else? I don't think you said anything else in a while. I don't know, man. Just if I didn't say something, if I didn't respond, you can ask twice or something. You can like send your message again, maybe. Okay. The head kind of stands out. I think the head kind of stands out a bit. Maybe I'm gonna try doing another circle, but this time I'm gonna just add less vertices, I guess. I'm gonna do like 5 and 5 maybe? 5 and 5. What about 4 and 4? Yeah, I think that works. Wait, 4 and 5 maybe? 4 and 5. Wait, let me do this again. Sometimes he misses. Yeah, I miss messages sometimes. It's not on purpose. There's a lot of messages, and I'm trying to focus on this, so I do miss messages sometimes. So if you guys want me to read a message and I miss it, just send it again. I don't care if you spam that much. Just send it again, honestly. There we go. We have our semi-complete NPC for my game. God, it's ugly. God, this thing is ugly. Well, this is it. How does it look, guys? How does it look? How does it look? Game. I'm gonna save this as a game file. I'm not mean. I'm Yasil. You're both Yasil and you're mean. You know. Make it thick. You guys want me to make it thick? You guys want me to make this thing thick? You guys want me to make this thing thick? I can make this thing extremely thick, like dummy thick. Let me just turn this up here. Okay, shit. Oh fuck. I think I turned this up too high. Did my stream crash? Hello? Blender just froze. Oh fuck, shit. Fuck, shit. Shit. I turned the rings up too high. Wait, am I still live? Wait, can you guys say something? Did you save? I think I saved, yeah. I think I added 500 rings and 230 segments by accident. The thing is, I just grabbed it and dragged it. I didn't really look at how much I was doing. Yeah, my game, I think I'm gonna have to restart. The gyat was too great. I was gonna add like fucking the biggest gyats you guys have ever seen. I wanted to make it smooth. Oh wait, I'm back. No, I'm not back. The game froze again. Okay, I think I'm just gonna wait for Blender to respond. I think I turned it down, so in the meantime, I'm gonna open up Godot again, I guess. What should I do for Godot next? I have a world now. I have a simple world generation, but I don't know what I should do next. Should I just keep working on my world generation? I also want to work on a saving system too. Okay, I gotta plan ahead for the future because I want my game to have a saving system. I want my game to save as well. So I'm gonna have to plan ahead with what I want to do with this game. Like, should I make this like a fully fledged game, or should I just like half-ass this? I don't want to half-ass this. I actually want to make this into something like proper, you know. So I don't know. I guess I can work on like an HP system. I guess I can work on an HP system. Let's work on an HP system. So var stamina var HP. Int, I guess. Integer. Int typecasting. Int equals 10, I guess. Stamina, I can do 100, I guess. 100. Export. I'm gonna export this too, I guess. I'm just doing this while I wait for my Blender to stop. Oh, Blender's back. Oh god, okay. I'm gonna turn this down to like fucking 10. Turn this down to 10 and turn this down to 10. Whew, there we go. There we go. Okay, then I'm gonna use subdivide. I'm gonna use subdivision modifier here. Subdivision modifier. Link here. Actually, no, I'm just gonna do this. Give her some tiggle bitties here. Some tiggle bitties. Oh god. Shit. Fuck. Okay, I need to turn clipping off. Where's clipping? Where's the clipping? Where's the clipping? There we go. Tiggle bitties. Some tiggle bitties. Let me modify these tiggle bitties here. Where is there we go. Damn. Damn. Actually let me do this. Let me just add a new object actually. Add a new circle. Add a new mesh here. That way I can modify tiggle bitties. This game is now officially 18 plus. You know, maybe, you know, who knows? Who knows? You know what would be funny if I just added like a. I'm gonna give this guy ball sacks. Actually, I'm gonna give this guy ball sacks. I'm gonna give him ball sacks. Give me a sec. I'm gonna give him like a pair of ball sacks. Circle. No, not circle. I meant sphere. Then do like 5 and 5, I guess. Give him a pair of balls. Good old ball sack here. Wait, give me a sec. Scale this down. Go up. There we go. I can give him like a little orb here. I can give him a little orb. I guess this is for like aesthetic, I guess. This is for like aesthetic. Wait, why is this not working? How do I... Okay, there we go. Does this look better or does this look worse? I don't know if this looks good. Does this look good? Does that look weird? Does this look weird? I don't know if this looks weird. Does this look weird? I guess it kinda does. Like, I'm making this like a not normal NPC, you know, like a more stylistic NPC, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna do tiggle bitties here. Tiggle bitties. Where's the mirror modifier? This is the woman NPC, you know. The men NPC, they don't have tiggle bitties. The woman. The woman. Yeah. 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 Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. There we go. We got tiggle bitties. How does this look? I want to see how this magnificent looks. Yeah, leave the ball. It looks weird. I guess we're gonna get rid of the ball then. I mean, to be fair, it did look pretty weird, I guess. I'm gonna delete the ball then. I'm gonna delete the ball. There we go. There we go. There, yeah, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this. That does not look good. But this is our little guy. Dude looks like a damn exclamation mark. Slime should go to a black hole and make a vlog about the internet connection. I don't think I would get any internet connection inside of a black hole. The next step is probably gonna be animation, and that animation is an ass. Animation is a fucking ass, man. I don't know how to animate, honestly. Also, I gotta give it color, I guess. I gotta give it color. How do I give it randomized color? And why is Garrett just spamming chat? I'm curious. How do I give these guys random color? Like, because I want to add them to my game. But the thing is, I don't want to give them one specific color. I want to get them all to have, like, randomized color. So that, like, it's more unique if every single NPC has, like, a randomized color. But I don't know how to do that in Blender and Godot. Is there a way to like import it into Godot then randomize the color somehow? Nutty Buddy. Okay, good night this time. Oh my god. I just died. Good night, Nutty good night, Nutty Buddy. I hope you have a good night. And I don't know why Garrett is spamming it. Like I said, I just type in English. Why are you typing in German? Type in English, bro. Type in English. Is it so hard to type in English, man? Type in English. Morally, we should report Garrett to the police, but he's a common stream member. Is he saying anything bad? I don't even know what he is saying. Bad night, Nutty Buddy. Make sure the bed. But you know, I'm gonna counter your still bad night by telling you have a good night and don't let the bed bugs bite. You know, unless you like that. I don't know if you like getting bugs biting you, but you know. Um. Anyways, so I'm gonna increase the stamina. So I'm gonna create a max stamina, var max stamina, I guess. Max stamina. Wait, I should do float, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should do float for this because this is limited. Float equals max stamina was 100. Um, if stamina and stamina greater than 0, stamina minus equals 1 times delta. Delta is delta time, right? I acknowledge Garrett, and he may stop. I literally acknowledged him. I just don't know what he's saying. I don't know what he's saying. I can't type my message in English because of what I said. Someone translate what he said, please. Someone translate what he said. Stamina plus equals. Wait, if stamina less than max stamina. Wait, stamina plus equals 1 times delta. If I'm gonna make this I'm gonna make the regeneration of stamina faster than using it up, I guess. I'm gonna do 2 times faster. If max stamina larger than stamina, if stamina larger than max stamina, then stamina equals max stamina. This is just basic coding here, guys. Basic coding. Do not acknowledge Garrett. I'm mostly convinced Garrett isn't old enough to be on this app. Is there an age limit to be on fucking YouTube? Is there like a minimum age? I don't know if there is. I know like infants are literally using YouTube nowadays. Like literal infants are using YouTube. So I don't even know. Let me just print this out. Let me print out the stamina because I want to see what my stamina is as I'm testing this. Oh god, okay. I'm gonna have to do way more. I'm gonna do 10. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do like 10. I need to increase my stamina usage. You still calm thyself. What is Garrett? What's Garrett saying? Can you like type what he's saying in chat? I don't know what he's saying. It would be really nice to know what he's saying. Elif? Wait, let me Elif. Action is pressed. Else if stamina is pressed and stamina less than or equal to 0. Elif? Is it Elif? What's else if? I forgot. Oh, okay, there we go. Then I'm gonna do else here. Else. Then this is stamina regeneration here. And there we go. Hopefully this works here. Hopefully this works. Ish hab. I don't know what that is. Someone translate that for me. Someone translate that for me. What does that say? Do you actually want? Okay, you know what? Fine. Fine. What the fuck does this message say? Google Translate. Google Translate. What does it say? Detect language. I feel like I have to rip off someone's limb and eat them piece by piece, but I think I'll let them live and torture them until they... Why would you want me to read this? Like, what? Like, what? Garrett, what? Why? Why, Garrett? Why? What? Like, okay? I guess? Sure? But why? You know, why? Why? I'm just working on my stamina system for my game right now. Let me test out my stamina system real quick. This should work, I think. Now I'm slow again. Now I'm fast. Okay. My stamina system works. Okay. My stamina system works here. It works. Now, what do I want to add to my game next? I think I want to, like, finish up my world generation, probably. You know what? Back to the modeling. I'm gonna add randomly generated dungeons now. I'm gonna add an entrance to a dungeon. Let me add a dungeon entrance. Let me build a generic dungeon entrance or something. Let me add like a cave. Let me like wait. Let me see how big one tile is. How big is a tile? How big is a one tile? I'm gonna create one tile that's off to the edge so I can see how big one tile is. Because then I'm gonna model it. I'm gonna model like a cave or something based on that one tile. Let me do -8. -8. There we go. Wait, what? Why is this an error? Oh, okay. Node A. Node A. Node A. I just want to see how big one tile is. Yeah, that one tile is big enough for a cave. I'm gonna build a cave now. I'm gonna build a cave. Okay, I'm gonna model a cave. How do I do that? No fucking clue. Okay, let me model a cave now. This is an NPC. I'm gonna model a cave now. First things first, I'm gonna add a plane, I think. I'm gonna add a plane here. I'm gonna increase the size of this to like 2 meters or like 5 maybe? 4? 3? 3? 2? Yeah, let's do 2. Let me do 2 here. Let me do 2. Okay. Let me divide this. How do I divide this thing again? I remember there's a way to like divide something. How do I divide something? Subdivide. Right, that's how I do it. Subdivide. I'm gonna do subdivide by 10. And then I'm gonna build a cave from this. I made a cave once. I made a cave once before. How do I do this again? I don't remember. How do I do this again? Huh. How did I do this again? I don't remember. How do I want to build a cave? Okay, I guess for now I can just like do something random. Let me pull out the knife tool, I guess. Pull out the knife tool. I'm gonna make a cave or something here. Kind of like Minecraft, you know how in Minecraft there are caves? I'm gonna make a cave. And Gear is saying yippee cheese. You know, cheese is pretty cool, cheese is pretty cool. Okay, this is oh wait, what? Fuck. Somehow I messed it up somehow. Let me try this again, I guess. What the fuck? Why is hello? Why is this what fuck? Cheese, yes, cheese. I gotta make a cave again, I guess. I'm gonna make a cave. Make a cave here. Let me just like randomly place these. I don't know if this is fun to watch. I know you guys have been complaining about this being boring or whatever. But this is just game development here, I guess. I'm learning game development. I hope you guys are learning something too, honestly. I hope you guys are learning something. Because this is an educational channel. Believe it or not, I'm an education channel, guys. Yeah, I'm an educational channel. Yeah. Guys, believe it or not, I'm an educational channel. Yeah, I'm an educational channel. I'm teaching you guys to game develop, guys. This is game development with the Slorm guy. Then I'm gonna do. Oh my god. Okay, let me do this. Let me extrude up here. There we go. This is our cave. Welcome to our cave, guys. This is our cave. Yes, I know it's very beautiful, but this is our cave. This is our cave for now. That is. For now, I'm gonna loop cut this like 8 times or something. There you go. Okay, let me figure out how I want to do this. Let me find like the flattest edge, I guess. Let me do here, and then I can just like extrude inwards or something. Let me try extruding inwards here. Let me do this, this. You guys feel like you guys are learning? Are you guys learning from this? This is an educational stream, guys. This is an educational stream. So you guys better be learning. If you guys aren't learning, I'm gonna come to your house and beat you. You guys better be learning, by the way. You guys better be learning. Or else. This is a threat. This is a threat. You guys better be learning. Let me do this. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna delete these on the edge outside, you know. I'm gonna delete these. Yeah, I'm gonna delete these. Yeah, that feels good. Cheese. I don't know why you guys are spamming cheese. Is there a reason why you guys are spamming cheese, by the way? You guys spamming cheese for a reason. Why are you guys spamming cheese for? Why are you guys spamming cheese? Yeah, I'm gonna delete these. I'm gonna delete vertices. There we go. Oh, whoops. That is not what I want to do. Frick. Frick. Okay, let me switch on over to this then, I guess. Okay, try that again. I gotta say, this must be very fun to watch. Very, very fun to watch, right? You guys are having so much fun watching me, right? I'm very chill today, unlike I usually am. Usually I'm a lot more energetic when I stream, because I want to be entertaining, usually. But today, I'm just chilling, and I'm doing a game dev stream. So hopefully, there is some enjoyment in watching this. And if you're not, I apologize, because I'm probably going to be doing a couple more game dev streams. Cheese is nice. I agree. I like cheese. Cheese is good. I agree. I approve of that message. Cheese is good. I love cheese. Yeah. Anyways, as I was saying, I do apologize if this is boring to watch, because I'm going to be doing more of these streams, probably. I want to actually make something proper here. I want to actually make something proper. I'm enjoying the chaos of you absolutely whiffing some of this cheese. Yes, moldy cheese. Moldy cheese, right. Definitely. I'm gonna add, you know what? I'm gonna add cheese to my game. You know, like in Skyrim, how there's cheese in the game? I'm gonna add cheese to my game, and I'm gonna make it super OP. I'm gonna make, like, cheese the most fucking OP shit in the game. I'm gonna add cheese to my game. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add cheese to my game. I'm gonna add cheese to my game. There we go. This is a simple cave. You misunderstood cheese. The cheese is not part of the message, but thanks for the cheese contribution. Yeah, I'm gonna add cheese to this game. Yeah, I'm gonna add cheese to this game, guys. I'm gonna add cheese to this game. I'm gonna add cheese to this game. You guys better be prepared for some cheese. Let me bevel this. Oh my, oh jeez. Oh fuck, that was disgusting. That was disgusting, man. My cave looks awful. I gotta say, my cave looks really bad. This cave looks awful. I'm gonna be real. This cave does not look good. This cave does not look good. But you know what? I did my best. I did my best. Should I bevel this? I'm gonna bevel this. I'm gonna bevel this. Yeah, I'm gonna bevel this. Even though this doesn't look great, I'm gonna bevel it. This is the beginning of a dungeon. Yeah. Minecraft cave, yeah. This is, you guys hear that Notch is making a fucking Minecraft 2, by the way? By the way, Notch, I don't know, like, if this is real or not, but I saw, like, a post where Notch was, like, talking about making Minecraft 2. Honestly, I'm kind of, like, excited, honestly. Honestly, I'm kind of excited. Like, I know Notch has been through his, like, fair share of controversy or whatever, but, like, come on. Come on. Like, it's kind of exciting, though. It's kind of exciting to, like, kind of exciting, you know? Um, oh, fuck. Yeah, he's making Minecraft too, by the way. Or like a spiritual successor to Minecraft, he said. Like a spiritual successor to Minecraft. And honestly, that sounds really cool. Like, I saw the post, and he said that he was gonna do something like a roguelike, and I like roguelike, so I hope he makes like a roguelike, like something like RPG Minecraft would be cool, you know? An RPG version of Minecraft would be great. I'm giving this cave a bunch of warts now, by the way. I'm giving this cave like a bunch of warts. Giving this. Why is this? Why is this? Huh? Why is this one random? I am very confused, but okay. Why is this one area just completely flat? I don't know why this one area is completely flat for some reason. Multiple ways to say cheese. Yes, that's a lot of cheese, man. There we go. Now I have like a somewhat decent looking like cave thing, I guess. Does this look decent, guys? I hope it looks good. I hope this thing looks good. Let me add color to this thing. Let me add color. Why'd my thing freeze? Why is this what? This thing froze. What? Roguelike idea. Missing a shot kills you after a short timer. The timer that actually would be a pretty cool idea. But the thing is, I'm not doing that. I'm doing like an open world. I'm doing an open world RPG. I'm doing an open world roguelike RPG is my goal. I'm literally just like smashing together like genre keywords. I'm doing an open world first person slasher RPG roguelike dungeon crawler. Action based or whatever. That's a lot of words, but that's what I'm trying to do. It's a bit ambitious, but that is my goal. Now let me see this cave for how it is here. My blender is frozen again. Especially if that is too much. Like, I'm planning to make this simple. It's not gonna be a very complicated game. This is not my first game. This is not the first game I've ever made. I do have some experience with making games. Like, I do have some experience, but yeah, you are right. It is ambitious, but I do also want to learn from the game as well. Like, although it sounds complicated, it's not that complicated. So I want to add like a first-person slasher, which I have done first-person. I have made a first-person slasher game before. So I have to implement the combat from my previous game. And two, I want to make it's roguelike, and I have made a roguelike game before. I do know how to make procedurally generated levels. So that's two parts of the game that I already know how to do. And that first-person action. Now I just need to convert 2D to 3D to just, you know. Whatever. I don't know. I don't know. Like, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Like, I do have an idea of how to make this game. I actually have an idea of how I want to make this game. Anyways, I'm going to export this cave, and I'm going to try to implement it into my game. What file is best? Wait, what file is best for Godot? Godot, what model file is best? GITIF2. Okay, I'm going to use GITIF2. How many paragraphs do you need to explain the game? Joke somewhat. The game, okay. Have you ever played a traditional tile-based roguelike? Have you ever, like, roguelikes are very popular, but for some reason, nobody plays traditional roguelikes. Like, I have not seen many people play actual traditional roguelikes. Like, real roguelikes. Not like those, like, yee-ass new roguelike games. Like, I meant real, actual roguelikes. For some reason, I feel like nobody's played a real roguelike. You played Risk of Rain 2 is not a real roguelike. I'm talking about traditional, old school roguelikes. Like fucking the game Rogue. I'm talking about traditional roguelikes. Like those tile-based games. Like Permadeath. Fucking Permadeath, no meta progression, turn-based, tile-based, RPG. You're trying to find the Amulet of Yendor. That kind of roguelike. Nobody has played a roguelike. I swear to God. You ask 99% of roguelike fans if they've played a real roguelike, and they'll be like, yeah, I played a roguelike. But then you tell them what an actual roguelike is, and they're like, no, I have not played it. I'm a bit passionate about roguelikes. You know, I'm a bit passionate because, you know, I like roguelikes. You know, I'm a bit passionate. Anyways, 3D models. 3D models. Let's add caves. Woo! Ooh. I should stop doing that noise because it's cringe. There we go. 3D caves. Cave. Why is there a mushroom on it? Oh, okay, that's just that dude. Okay. Ah. Let me try this again. I need to re-export because for some reason I exported it with the dude inside. For some reason it has a dude inside the thing, so I'm gonna do that again. I think I need to export all the visual, I think. ROR2 is a modern chaos roguelike. Much older roguelikes are absurdly punishing or very that like nowadays the term roguelike has completely changed. Like back then roguelike were games that were like Rogue. Nowadays roguelikes are nothing like the game Rogue. Like if you've played the actual game Rogue, it's nothing like modern day roguelikes. And not I don't just mean that in terms of like quality of the game. I meant that in like the genre itself. It's like saying Souls-like game, but then you're playing My Little Pony. That's literally how severe the difference between modern roguelike is and like old roguelikes. Like actual roguelikes. But anyways, I'm trying to make like a somewhat traditional roguelike, but with action, you know. I don't know. I'm gonna make mine like Elder. Okay, the one thing I might have trouble with in this game is saving. Okay, I've so far thought of how to implement this game properly. Like, I know how to generate the world, I know how to make a dungeon, I know how to make the combat, but the one problem I have with this game that I might struggle with is saving and loading. Because I want to be able to save and load the game. I want to be able to saving and loading the game is a very important thing when you play games. When you play games, you don't want to lose your progress when you close it, right? So I want to add a saving system. But that might be the most difficult part for me because I don't have a lot of experience with saving. But I have done it once, so I think it should be possible. But it will be difficult. It will be difficult. Anyways, I'm gonna export the cave again here. Sorry, I talk a lot, guys. Sorry, I kind of go in rants sometimes. Yeah. 3D model cave. Let's try this again. There we go. The cave is green for some reason. It must be because of the. I think it's because of the sky. I think. I don't know why it's green. I think it's because of the sun. Yeah, the sun is making my cave green. Speaking is alright, sir. Usually when I speak too much, people just tell me to shut up, you know? People just tell me to shut up. Okay, let me see this. This cave is looking kind of, working. This cave works. This cave works, I must say. This cave does work. The cave should I'm gonna make the cave a little bit bigger, though. Because in the thing, the cave is kind of small. So I'm gonna make this cave a little bit bigger. Maybe, like, 2 times bigger? Is 2 times bigger a bit too much? I don't know. I'm gonna try it, though. I'm gonna try it. Let's do a 2 times bigger cave. I'm gonna delete this. And I'm gonna export again. But this cave is gonna be a little bit bigger now. Export. Read me message. Name. Cheese. Type weapon. Ability. Allows you to consume your enemy and gain their special power. Disadvantage. Only able to use once. Your ability has nothing to do with cheese. I'm gonna be honest. That ability has nothing to do with cheese. That ability has nothing to do with cheese. Okay, is this cave big enough? This cave is still fucking small as fuck. Why is this cave so small? It's like my penis. So small. There we go. The cave is bigger now. The cave is bigger. Is this too big, though? Is this cave too big is the problem. This cave might be too big. This cave might be too big. Let me just compare it to ground tile here. Let me compare it to the ground tile. How big is this? Oh, no, this is perfect size, actually. This is the perfect size. Wait, this is the perfect size. Wait, this cave is literally the perfect size. This cave is the perfect size. Oh, my God. This cave is perfect. Wow. Oh, well, except that this goes into the floor for some reason. This cave... Oh, wait, you guys can't see it. Fuck. I hate how I have to do this every single time, so you guys can see this. But, the cave. This is the cave! Woohoo! Very scuffed cave. You just gotta go into here, I guess. Gotta go into here and, So I'm gonna make it so once you enter this place, it loads in a new dungeon that you can like explore and stuff. That's what I plan on doing. You can explore this cave dungeon thingy-majiggy. Source, trauma. People are rude, and some love to scream and yell at people. At anyone who even remotely talks about them. Those people deserve to have their mouth sewn shut. Source, trauma. Don't ask. You consume cheese, do you? I have eaten cheese before. Yes, I do like cheese. Cheese is good. I have eaten cheese before. Um. Anyways, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this problem that there's a bit of a gap here. There's like, you know what? Who cares? Who fucking cares? Who fucking cares? You know, I don't care that much. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. Okay, I don't care. I don't care at all. I don't care. I don't care at all. Fuck you. Fuck this game. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this into a scene. I'm gonna create a dungeon scene. Wait, I'm gonna turn this into dungeon. 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 I'm gonna turn this into its own scene here. Turn this into its own scene. Turn branch as scene. Okay, there we go. This is a new cave scene. There we go. I'm gonna add a smoke fog. I think I'm gonna add a fog in front of it so it looks like it's fading into black. So I ask, what is the problem? The problem is the ability. What does the ability allows you to consume your enemy have anything to do with cheese? You're literally just Kirby. That's literally just Kirby. Are you Kirby now? Are you just Kirby? Is that just Kirby? Are you literally just Kirby? That's literally just Kirby, man. Anyways, I'm gonna just sort this out a bit. I'm gonna make it so it fades to black once you go into this, so that you don't see the bottom of the dungeon. I'm gonna do this. Let me move this over here. Yeah, game development. Game development is a lot different from how I imagined, honestly. Let me do like a black fog, I guess. How do I change the fog? Volumetric fog. I need volumetric fog? What? Scenes environment. How do I add environment again? Wait, I can add a sky here? Oh, wait. No, let me remove this. I'm gonna try removing this. I'm gonna try adding a proper sky here. Let me add a proper sky here. Ground color. I gonna reduce that, and you guys can't see something. Sometimes I'm working on something, you guys can't see it because for some reason it's not showing up, which is weird. But anyways, I cast metal pipe shoved down throat. The cheese turns them to cheese. So your ability turns people into cheese, and then you eat them. That's very interesting. That's a very interesting ability, I must say. Okay. Changes may be lost. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wait. Ground. I want to turn this into a scene. What happened to the scene? Wait, something's going on here. Something is not right. Something is not right here. Let me add this cave again. Unknown format. Glib? Why is this an unknown format? You know, I'm doing something wrong here. Let me try this again. Sometimes I have a lot of issues with exporting and importing 3D models. This is a problem I had last time as well, so lots of issues with this. Okay, let me try this again. Let me try moving this up. There we go. Now it's floating. Now it's freaking floating. Fantastic. What am I doing? Okay, I want to turn this into a scene. That's what I want to do. I want to turn this into a scene. Save branch as scene. Can't save the branch if it already instantiated. Oh. New inherited. You know what? I'm gonna close. Just don't save. Close. I'm gonna create a new scene. A new 3D scene. 3D. No, that's the 3D node. I want to create a new scene. New 3D scene. This is gonna be called dungeon. It's gonna be called dungeon. And then I'm gonna copy and paste everything from here. Wait, let me open this. Open anyways. I'm gonna copy this. Put it into here. Yeah, there we go. Just copy and paste it. That's it. That's all I gotta do. Then I add fog here. Then I add fog. And then I add the fog. And then this should all work out. This should not be giving me much trouble at all. Yeah, game development is something that takes a really long time. People underestimate how much work game developers put into this shit, man. They put a lot of time and effort into this shit for some reason. For some unknown reason, people put so much work into game development. I don't know why. Probably because game development is something people like doing. Let me just keep rotating this. There we go. I'm just gonna just put this here. Yeah, game development. Wait a second. Why is this flat? Why is this fucking... Wait, what? Why is this flat? Okay. I'm gonna just move this over here then. Okay, I'm so hoping this fucking works out. Where is the fog? I need to add environment, world environment, to create the fog. So I want a foggy cave. I want the cave to have fog. So I need voltraumatic fog to be on. How do I change the color of the fog? Needs to be enabled. It is enabled. Voltraumatic fog is enabled. So what is the issue? Why is it green, by the way? Okay, I'm gonna delete this cave. And then I'm gonna put the new dungeon node in here. Dungeon scene. Why is it invisible? What? Why am I having so many issues? Holy shit. And why is my Godot... When did that happen? When the fuck did that happen? Why is the dungeon invisible? Why is the dungeon fucking invisible? What? Hello? Okay, there it is. I was so confused why it was invisible for a sec. I was like, what? Okay. Average game dev experience. Okay, where's the fog? There's supposed to be fog. Where did the fog go? Okay, I can't see the fog. Average game dev. Yeah, game dev is hard. It's harder than it looks. You know, it's harder than it looks. You know, harder than it looks. It doesn't even look. I don't know how hard game development looks, but it's harder than it looks. Okay. Fuck. Emission. I'm trying to set up the fog here thingy. I'm trying to set up the fog thing here. Cave. Dungeon. This is awful to watch. I bet this is horrible to watch. I might be real. This must be horrible to watch. But you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna try making this game because I've told myself that I want to make this game, and so I'm gonna make this game. Okay? None of you guys can stop me, no matter what you guys say. None of you guys can stop me. All right? None of you guys can stop me. Because I'm going to make this game, and I'm going to be proud, okay? I'm going to be proud of this game that I'm making. I'm going to be proud of it, okay? You guys, I'm going to make you guys proud, like the parents I never had that have never been proud of me, you know? Parents have never been proud of me, but today, they're going to be proud of me today, okay? They're going to be proud of me. Well, honestly, I'm just making a game for myself, honestly. I just like making games, so, does this work? Oh my god. Okay, it kind of works. You know, it kind of works, I guess. Gotta make the fog a little bit darker, though. Gotta make the fog a little bit darker in here. Make the fog, like, super black. Like, so abyssal black. How do I make it blacker? How do I make the fog blacker? I want to make the fog, like, super black. I want to make the fog super black. I'ma head out. Got animation to do. Gotta focus up. Have a good day, man. Have a good day, Remna. I hope you enjoy yourself. Have a good day, bro. Have a good day. Thank you for joining, by the way. I know the stream hasn't been very interesting because I know most people don't really like game development that much, but I do appreciate you joining, man. I do appreciate you joining. Bye. Have a good luck. You too, man. I do appreciate you being here, man. You know what? This is really annoying. Why the fuck is adding fog so annoying? God damn, why is it so difficult? Okay, you know what? I might go back to creating I might change this dungeon a bit. So might change this. Instead of, I'm gonna make this up a bit. I'm gonna increase the height. I'm gonna grab this and bring it up. Instead of going down, it's gonna go up now. Instead of going down, it's going up. This way I don't have to like bother too much with the cave shit. Let me do this. God damn. What is your email? Why do you want to know what my email is, bro? Are you gonna like send a bomb to me or something? Why do you want to know my email, man? That's really suspicious. That's really suspicious, man. That's kind of suspicious. I'm gonna be real. That is really suspicious. Okay, you know what? Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. Export. I'm gonna export this. Export GLTF. Save that. Bring up Godot. Then I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna completely change this. I'm gonna delete the cave. I'm gonna delete this cave. Oh shit. I'm gonna delete this cave. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this cave here. I have an extremely long idea for the cheese slice, and I can't type. Why can you not type it in chat? What are you typing in chat that you cannot type? What? I am very concerned, man. I'm very concerned. Should I be concerned? Should I be concerned? I don't know if I should be concerned or not. Let me put this in. Then I'll just like open this up here. Open anyways. I'm gonna open this up. Let me move that fog. Dungeon. Close this. Delete this. There we go. Wait, I'm gonna actually just move these two, like, up here. Grab. I'm gonna move that over here. I'm also gonna rotate this dungeon around as well. I'm gonna rotate this dungeon like 180 degrees. I can't type in. Then send in multiple messages, man. Send in multiple messages or something. Okay, I think this is good. I think I'm just gonna go with this. The problem I had earlier was that the dungeon was under the dirt. So by lifting up the floor, I can make it so it's not under the dirt. So yeah, and then I can just add the fog here. Then I can add the fog, and we're all good. The fog doesn't need to be too like powerful. The fog doesn't need to be too powerful. I can just do this, go in, and yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good with me. I'm good with that. That is good enough for me, you know? That's good enough for me. Why is everything black? If I look at it from the side, everything was black for a sec. I think it's because one side is unshaded, or like no sun. Unlighted, or I should say. Unlitten. Unlitten, like a kitten. Alright. Alright, so I think once the player walks into this dungeon, it's gonna trigger a scene where they can, what's it called? Get transported to a dungeon. This is gonna put them inside of a dungeon. Yeah, that's it. This is gonna put them inside of a dungeon. Um, Let me add a collision to this, actually. Let me add a collision. I'm gonna add a collision to this by mesh, collision shape, static body child. This is a bit inefficient because of how many, like, polygons there are, but you know what? I don't care. I'm not trying to go for the most efficient thing here. There we go. This thing has, physics. No, I can literally see inside. I can literally see inside. Huh. Wait. Wait, how does my player work? I'm curious. How does my player work? Why is my camera so bad? The camera is so bad. Wait, transform rotation. Let me move that back. Maybe, will this make the camera better? Hopefully this makes the camera better, because that camera earlier was atrocious. The description alone is 600 meters. I don't know what the fuck you're typing to make such a interesting. Why is the camera so weird? What? Hello? Why is the camera so weird? Okay, what is wrong with this camera? What is wrong with this camera? What is wrong with this camera? Oh, wait. Wait a second. Something is wrong with this camera for some reason. Wait. Oh, I see what's wrong with the camera now. I see what's wrong with the camera. It was like, okay, I see what's wrong with the camera. The camera is moving as, okay, yeah, I see the problem now. I see the problem now. That is an issue. That is an issue. That is definitely an issue. That is definitely an issue. Camera, wait, how do I change dot relative rotation? Is it relative rotation? Relative. I will send it to your Christmas post. What do you mean my Christmas post? I don't know if I should be concerned. Should I be concerned? Should I be concerned? I don't know if I should be concerned or not. Okay, so the rotation for some reason is rotating from the origin of the, what's it called? Of the player. That is bad because that doesn't work. I don't want my camera to do that. Huh. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna move the head up. Actually, I'm gonna move the head up. Move the head up here, and then I'm gonna move the camera down. Move the camera down. What is the position here? Position. I'm gonna actually do this position of 0. Yeah, I'm gonna do a position of 0. This should be better, right? This should be better. Yeah, this should be better, I think. Yeah. Yeah, the camera is definitely a lot better now. I'm testing the camera right now. It's a lot better now. It's definitely a lot better now. Definitely a lot better. Okay. Okay, so now I have a semi-functional thing here. Now I just need to make it so I can, like, spawn the fucking dungeon. Let me do a const. Let me create a dungeon here. Preload dungeon. Preload. Should I wait? I should probably make a file for my scenes, right? Make a file for my scenes. Scenes. Put a file for all my scenes inside because I don't want to cluster everything. I don't want to cluster everything here. See dungeon. And then I'm gonna do for scene ground node. Preload ground node. That rhymes! Preload and ground node. I should be like a rapper or something because I rhyme a lot. I end up rhyming a lot. Dungeon. So I'm gonna do like a, I don't know, like a 10, like a 2% chance of spawning it. Okay, how do I randomly generate a number? Let me figure out how to randomly generate a number here. Godot. Randomly generated number. Pick number. How do I pick a number? Random number. Random number. How do I do a random number? How do I do a random number? There has to be an easy way to do this. Random number generation. Okay, there it is. The randomize. Okay, randomize. Randomize. How does randomize work though? Randy. Okay, how does Randy work? Randy is random integer, right? Randy range. Okay, Randy range. Let's try Randy range. What's it called? Int var dungeon spawn equals Randy range of 1 to 100. Or let's do 1 to 50. 1 to 20. That's like a 5% chance or something. I don't remember. I don't know how to do the math. The math is confusing. If dungeon spawn equals 1, I'm gonna create a dungeon. And if the dungeon spawn is equal to 1, then I'm just gonna spawn a dungeon. Read the message I sent to your Christmas post. What Christmas post, man? I have no clue what you're talking about. Dungeon. I'm gonna create a dungeon now. Now I'm gonna create dungeons. Now we have randomly generated dungeons. Dungeon. Dungeon. Now let's see if this works or not. Let's see if this works. Hopefully this works. There we go. We have random dungeons now. There's 3 dungeons here. Nice. I'm gonna give them a random rotation. Dungeon dot rotation equals Randy range from 0 to 360. That's not 360. I'm also gonna do degree to rad, because degree to rad, for some reason the thing uses rad instead of degree for some reason. Rand F, I guess. Rand F, would that work? Rotation.x. Let's try rotation.x. Randy range. Which rotation is... Okay, that is not the right rotation. Let me use rotation Y, maybe? Is it rotation Y? It might be rotation Y. The one I said something really long. What do you mean? I can't type in chat is 700 characters long. Description is 600 chat characters. I will send it to your Christmas post. Read the message I sent to your Christmas post. The one I said something really long. I am very confused by what you are talking about, but alright. Anyways, I have properly set up dungeons now. My dungeon is properly set up. Well, not properly set up, but it now generates dungeons. I have a generated dungeon now. Let me show it off to you guys, what I've made. It's very scuffed so far, but I made something, and I'm proud of it. You know, I'm proud of my dungeon. Let me show it real quick. Let me show you guys see it. Hello, Tippy. Welcome to the stream, man. Hope you're having a good day. I am doing game development today. Very scuffed game development. I created a dungeon. Well, not created a dungeon, but I created dungeons that can spawn, you know? It can spawn, you know? When I theoretically want to make it so once you enter a dungeon, it's gonna spawn a dungeon and you can, like, get teleported there. That's what I want to do. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Also, hope you're having a good day. Welcome to the stream, man. I'm doing game development, and it's, you know, it's going fine. It's something. It's going something here. Yeah, look at this. It's, yeah, okay. Next thing I want to do is create a portal or whatever. To create, like, something once you go in here, you get teleported. That is the next plan. I also want to create like different colored tiles and stuff because this is not very pretty. This is very ugly right now. This is very ugly. Very, very ugly. Well, what the hell? Is there an invisible wall here? There's an invisible wall here. Wait, what? It's beautiful. I don't know if this is beautiful. I'm gonna be real. This isn't really, really beautiful. Wait, why is my game? The fuck? Oh, okay. I see the problem now. I see the problem. Um, let me fix this real quick. Oh God, whoops. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is where I've been so far. This is where I've been. It's kind of scuffed. My game is very, very scuffed. It's almost as scuffed as Starfield, but next things I want to do is create a portal now. Create a portal so that once you enter a dungeon, it will teleport you to an actual dungeon. That is the game plan. That is the game plan here. The post 13 days ago. You mean the post that I made? You mean the post that I made on YouTube during Christmas or whatever? Let me check, Garrett. I don't know why you want me to search that up, okay, man? Nate. Oh my God. You know, I'm not reading all that, Garrett. I'm not reading all that. That's a way too many words. That is way too many words. That's fucking like, what would you do? Like an AI generate description of an ability? It's fucking AI generate, bro. Like an AI generated ability. Okay, let me do an area 3D now. An area 3D. Area 3D. What do I need? I need to do a collision shape. Yeah, a collision shape 3D. Collision shape 3D here. And then we turn this into a square, a box. Well, like, boxes and squares are kind of the same thing. They're the same thing. I call boxes squares, and I call squares boxes. Kind of the same thing, even though they're technically different, you know? Yibbity, yabbity, same thing, you know? Same thing. Okay. Let's do this to the side. And soon we'll have a dungeon. Enter zone. This is the enter zone. Enter zone. Add it? You mean add this ability to my game? Bro, I don't know what crack you're smoking, but no way am I able to add something this complicated to my dingy ass, yee ass fucking game. You're what? Okay, so like Garrett commented something on my other post. He wants me to add like the super special ability called Lactose Apocalypse. When activated, the secret slice of cheese emits a radiant otherworldly glow as it ascends into air. This thing is like I don't know how many words that is, but that's a lot of words. I'm not reading that out. That's way too many words. I can't add something of that caliber, bro. I'm not good enough for that. I am not good enough for that. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not good enough for that. Anyways, how do I want to implement this though? This is gonna be a bit weird. I don't know how to implement this. I think I'm definitely gonna have to add a script here. That's like the enter script. Yeah, enter script. Enter dungeon script. I'm gonna change the name of this to enter dungeon. Enter dungeon script. Where are my scripts anyways? Where the hell did all the scripts go? Enter dungeon. Yeah, let me change this to enter dungeon. Rename enter dungeon. Enter dungeon. Add it, add it, add it. Why do you want me to add it so badly, man? Why are you spamming in chat? You do realize that. Oh, wait, I just realized I'm using top chat. Holy shit. I literally just realized I'm using top chat. No wonder. Oh my God. I'm actually using top chat. I literally just realized I'm using top chat. So most of your messages must have been filtered out or something. Oh my God. Okay, I see why. I think I've been using top chat, so my messages have been filtered. Your messages have been filtered out, I think. That's kind of funny. So let me do scripts here. I'm also gonna end the stream soon because I've been streaming for a while. I've been working on this game for 3 hours now, you know, 3 hour game. 3 hour game, you know. 3 hour game. I don't know English. Hello, EO Flash. Welcome to the stream. You don't know English. I don't know if you can understand me right now, but that you just typed English. That is English that you just typed. I don't know if maybe you can type English, but don't know how to understand it. But you literally just typed English. But if you do understand me, I hope you're having a good day, man. I hope you're having a good day. I am playing Godot. Well, not playing. I'm making a Godot game today. Anyways, I guess once I enter, I'm gonna make it print out a word. I'm gonna say this. If the player collides with a dungeon, I'm gonna make it. How do I check? Let me do signals. Area entered. Emits when in the received area enters this area. Monitoring. Let's turn on monitoring. Body. Body shape. What's the difference between body shape entered and body entered? There's way too many different types of body enter, man. There are way too many different, like, area entered. Okay, this is specifically area 3D. This is body 3D. On body entered. Let me create a group, actually. Create the player group. Player. Make this global. Player group is global. If body dot is in group player print skibbity toilet. Yes, if it's in the group skibbity, print toilet. Yeah, I'm gonna test this out now. You guys can't really see this, but I'm gonna test it. Skibbity, it works. Alright, okay. So now I have a world and I have dungeons that I can walk into. There is a problem where I actually have to generate the dungeon now, which is the problem, you know, because the dungeons are going to be the difficult part to implement. Because dungeons are pretty difficult to implement in the first place, you know. So, I'm probably going to implement that next time, you know. Add it. I'm not going to add it yet. Okay, I might add it. To be fair, okay. Garrett, I will consider adding it, but not yet. Because I am very early on in my game so far. Very, very fucking early on. I'm definitely not gonna add it yet. I might add it in the future, but I'm definitely not adding it yet. Because, listen, this is the progress I've made. Wait, you guys can't see it. I'm gonna show you guys my progress. This is my progress so far. This is literally all I've made. Literally all I've made so far. I might add your idea, but this is literally all I've got so far. So definitely not adding it yet. At least read the ability. Bro, your message is so fucking long. You know what? Fine. Effects, world transformation, something about inanimate objects and terrains that turn into cheese. Enemy neutralization, everything turns into harmless cheese. Stat overload, infinite stats for 10 seconds. Bro, what are these special abilities? They're so OP. What? Single use, the slice disintegrates into a puff of cheese. No damage to players. Cheese chaos. Post transformation, the world remains in its cheesy state permanently. Yeah, I'll consider it. You know, I'll consider adding it. You know, I'll consider adding it. I will consider. You know, I'll consider it. Yeah, I'll consider it. I'll consider it. You know, I'll consider it. But for now, I think I made good progress for one single stream. You know, I think I made some actual decent progress. Like I made like dungeons that spawn. Well, I guess they spawn. Yeah, they spawn. And, yeah, I think this actually might work. This might work. Yeah, I can always, like, so far, it's very simple so far. But I can start building off of what I have. I can start building off what I have in the future. But for now, very simple. But I'm quite proud for about 3 hours worth of progress. 3 hours worth of progress. I added a plane and some dungeons, and I create a player controller, and I did it mostly on my own too. Like I did Google, I won't lie, I did use the YouTube tutorial, but like I did not follow it line by line. I did it on my own mostly. I actually mostly did it on my own, which is surprising. I even called them out for like, I was like, oh, their way of doing it is sucked. I did it my own way too, which was even better than their way. So yeah. I actually thought I did good, even though my stream was kind of boring. Everyone talked about how bad the stream was, and how everyone's like, oh my god, this is so boring to watch. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I had fun. I enjoyed making this. I like game development. So I think I'm going to continue this. So what are you making, good sir? Hello, Camo Killer. My idea of what I'm trying to make is an open world roguelike. I know roguelikes are not very original, but my idea is to make an open world roguelike where you can just travel around the world and find like these are supposed to be dungeons, by the way. These are supposed to be dungeon entrances, and you can go in, it'll teleport you into a dungeon that I will procedurally generate. It's basically a roguelike, but it's open world. And I want to create like villages where you can like find NPCs and trade with them. I want there to be like mini procedurally generated quests, like very simple stuff. I say very simple, but I literally just said procedurally generated quests, and that's not very simple. But I'm trying to make things as simple as possible. So it's very simple things I want to make, but an open world roguelike with first person combat. Basically, first person combat, inspired by like Daggerfall or something. Inspired by Daggerfall. Make it like Lethal. Isn't Lethal Company a multiplayer game? I'm not gonna make mine multiplayer because I don't know how to do that. But yeah. I actually kind of like this so far. I kind of like this. 3 hours worth of progress. This was 3 hours to make. This took me 3 hours to make this. 3 hours to add a plane. Add some dungeons and a movement system. 3 hours. But you know what? Hopefully I'll make more progress next time. I know you just joined Camo Killer, but I'm probably gonna end the stream now. I've been streaming for 3 hours, so I'm probably gonna end it here. Even though you probably just came here. I do appreciate you joining, Camo Killer. Maybe I'll see you again, maybe I won't. I don't know. But hope you have a good day, man. Hope you have a good day. I'm gonna end the stream here. I know, I apologize for ending the stream just as you joined, but I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for joining, man. Thank you guys for being here. I'm gonna end the stream. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. I should probably save everything, There'd probably be a good idea to save my games before I quit it out. Gonna probably be a good idea to save my game before I, before I, like, forget to do anything and, like, yeah. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Have a good day. Keep my idea in mind. I will, I guess. I will keep your idea in mind.